My lord, item 17 on behalf of Mr. S.B. Jana, my lord. If the matter may be withdrawn, my lord. I am filing the memo.
17, one second.
Yes, my lord.
17. Okay. Next.
Page number 3, item 22 to 31.
My lord, item 25, my lord.
25. Yes.
After, my lord.
2 weeks after.
State is the opposite party.
28 March. Next.
Interim to continue, my lord.
Interim to continue.
Oblige.
Next.
Page number 4, item 32 to 41. Page number 5, item 42 to 54.
Item 46, my lord. On behalf of Mr. Park, no instructions. We have no instructions.
46.
Yes, my lord.
No instruction. That's fine. That's okay. Next.
Page number 6, item 55 to 64.
My lord, item 62, my lord. My lord, on behalf of Mr. D.K. Patnaik.
62.
My lord. My lord, may complete after 1 week only.
Okay. March 6th March.
Oblige, my lord.
Next.
Page number 7, item 65 to 73.
Item 70. Item
70.
I want to take instruction because I think what I have had, the restriction in futures, I am appearing on behalf of the bank.
Should I dispose it of if any cause of action? I'll say if any cause of action, it survives.
The amount has already been.
Sir, if anything, if nothing is there, then I'm just disposing it of, saying that if any cause of action, you can revive your.
But the opposite party bank. That is the one. Yesterday was a holiday. No, otherwise, I could have got the instruction.
Okay. You take instruction. I'm fixing it on 9th. 9th.
Sometimes more.
Okay.
Next week.
22nd.
Item 71, my lords. On behalf of Hon'Ble, no instruction, my lords, in the case.
71.
Yes, appealing for the petitioner.
Yeah, Mr. Beura.
No.
Okay, no instruction.
Why don't you make a mention?
What is your good name?
Nityabrata Beura, my lords.
Your name is Nitya Brata.
My lords.
This is Nityananda, his
Nityananda,
father. His father.
my lords.
Okay. On behalf of Nitya Brata, like these are confusion.
Thank you.
Okay.
Why don't you make a mention, my lord? This is the same batch matter, agriculture insurance matter.
Insurance
Yes.
item.
Item serially, shall I or write it down?
Item what is it?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Wait karo na. Let's go to that. It will come easily. If you're busy elsewhere, then let me
My
know.
lord.
Huh?
My lord senior is not there. He's on accommodation.
8, 9, 8, 9.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, then 68, 72, 73. Your lordship has posted to 13.
13. Okay.
Public.
68?
68, 72, 73.
ठीक है लाउडर कहले थे सुबह भाई ठीक है लाउडर को लेकिन बनना
Page number 8, item 74 to 82.
Item 81, your lordship.
81
3 weeks time, I pray for filing rejoinder.
3 times granted for filing rejoinder 28th February. Next.
Oblige, your lordships.
Page number 9, item 83 to 89.
83.
Item 85, man. I'm for the petitioner. ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ପାଇଁ କହିଥିଲେ ସେଟା ସେ ଲୋକ ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ଚାକିରି ପର୍ପୋଜରେ ତେଣୁ ଆଉ 10-15 ଦିନ ଟାଇମ୍ ଦେବେ.
Okay, you're for the petitioner?
Aye.
You have intimated the other side?
I will intimate.
I will.
Mr. Datta.
You have to intimate. ଆପଣ intimate କରିକି କଣ
Datta
କରିବେ? ଯେତେବେଳେ
ତ
ମଝିରେ
ମୁଁ
intimate କରିବେ ମୋତେ କହିଦେବେ ହେଲା. Done. Next.
Page number 10, item 90 to 97.
97.
Page number 11, item 98 to 104.
Nandi.
Page number 12, item 105 to 115.
My lord, 110 I may be permitted to withdraw.
110 permitted. Next.
Page number 13, 116 to 120.
190.
19.
9119. Some time may be given to me.
Have you intimated the opposite party?
But today I'm in trouble because it was relation of mine has been hospitalized. I have to
That's
go.
not fine, but just intimate the other friend now, or phone or something. Or just send your junior. Otherwise, you can send your junior. You can go. No problem. So you want urgentment? That is in my mind. Like, I'll do. Don't worry. At that time when it will reach, I'll do it. Apne jaan do, just next. Examination like me. Okay.
Page number 1, item 1.
Item 1, my please, my lord. My lord, the issue in this revision is, lordship, the minor child of 4+1 years. By virtue of an antecedent proceeding, the learned SDM has directed the custody from the mother to husband. So my submission,
Why? What is the ground for?
no reason, no
Custody
reason,
from mother to husband. You are for the husband? Or
I am for the mother.
Mother.
Mother. No reason has been assigned. Your
Why? Why mother to husband? You
Mo-
must have either married or maybe having, I mean, very cruel attitude towards your child, or maybe having some extramarital affair, something.
no, lordship, that is
Another
that-
company, mana kariyo.
କିଛି ନାହିଁ, your since
Bina karan rahe to kariyo.
since your lordship earlier interfered in the application and annexure 5, and your lordship only directed the husband to give an opportunity for hearing.
Fine, that.
That is on the basis of your lordship's order.
Hmm.
He has given the custody from the mother to father. My submission is,
I have
lordship,
not said that they give the custody. I have said given the opportunity of hearing.
nothing. Rather, mother initiated the proceeding on the 97
What is
proceeding.
the mother doing? In the
Housewife.
housewife.
Yes.
Only house, no wife now.
No, there is no dispute regarding husband or wife. It's a custody of the child.
Okay. So she's only, I mean, she's staying at her father's house.
Yes,
The girl is staying, where
Yes.
is she staying?
father's house, lordship.
Father's house.
It's a contravention to section 6 of the Hindu Minorities Act, because Hindu Minorities of the Act says below 5 years, it
अरे
is
सर पता है मुझे, इतना मत बताओ. I'm asking the real question, problem here. What is the problem? Tell me. That everybody knows that the Hindu Minorities Act. So what is the age of the girl? Girl, boy.
boy is 4+ years, lordship. Date of birth is
4+ मत बोलो. 4+
Se-
मतलब 8 भी 4,
20
9 भी 4+.
my lord, date of birth
20
is
4+.
date of birth is 27/4/2019.
19. Okay, issue notice. Issue notice to the opposite party. Okay,
One lordship.
one only, na? Go to the single opposite.
Single sole
party
opposite party.
by registered post. Hala? This is the matter on March 4th. March 4th. By registered post.
That order may be still.
Huh?
That order.
What is the order?
Order custody. Page 9, lordship.
Now this boy is with
Boy
you,
is with husband.
with the husband. So stay kala konta habo? Nahi sale stay kala kon habo? Kon stay kari? Stay kon thila? Stay kon thila?
Stay thila, direction thila to hand over the child to the husband, and that is handed over.
Handed ho sale na contract stay lagi. How jitla ayo? Rahu ta वापस आएगा. पिछुआ भी किसी.
ठीक से early date lordship.
अरे आप लोगों को चाइल्ड इतना प्यारा होता है तो why do you quarrel? Tell your client they should stay together. If you are so fond of your child, कुत्ता बिल्ली जैसे झगड़ा करते हैं और बच्चे परेशान बच्चा बेचारा बच्चा होता है. Next.
Item number 2.
May I please, your lordship, the petition filed by the petitioner to release his bus, your lordship. Petitioner is the owner of a bus, and
Bus.
your lordship. The bus, some of the passenger taken ganja in the bus, and it has been raided by the police officials, and the bus has been taken seized by the police officials.
Passenger नोतले कि तो आपन नोतले कि दी.
Passenger,
passenger to धरा पड़े से passenger को arrest करा police.
yes, your lordship. 4% passengers are arrested.
Passenger दल्ला बस को कहीं.
Oh, my bus is
here-
before.
He has filed an application with the land STJ,
Your lordship,
but
that
in special code is the competent authority.
Lordship, that observation of the SDGM is there. This proceeding is before the Honorable District Judge, Learned District Judge. And Learned District Judge, after passing of the judgment of this Honorable Court, all the 457 petition for release of vehicles
handed over to the transport to the SDGM to carry. That order is also
So
quoted.
वहां से why did you pursue there then?
I have pursued there, and the land and SDGM have rejected the petition.
After that, where will
After
you
that,
go?
I have before this honorable court
क्यों?
because release that
तांका
450
ऊपर क्या नहीं authority?
more.
Appellate authority के?
No, here the special court is the authority to deal with the NDPS.
That's what I'm saying. Special court is there. That's part. But confiscation part is saying. But it NDPS is the special court करियो.
After trial.
हाँ.
P2A.
Special court करियो ना.
Yes, special court करने का था, but that this honorable court directed all the district judges to that judgment is quoted. All the district judges to transfer the proceeding to SDGM for land and SDGM under section 457 to deal with.
SDGM declined.
SDGM declined, holding that 52A.
SDGM order against where will you go?
I have come before this honorable court on the.
I am asking what is the procedure? Where will you go against the order of SDGM? Will you go to the
Revision is concurrent, your lordship, before this honorable court and before the district judge. I have come.
कहीं कॉल नहीं.
Lordship, I have
वो
come.
एक ही direct बिल्कुल appreciate.
Lordship,
District judge court को
covered by your lordship's judgment also.
मेरा judgment क्या है?
That recently your lordship Jitendra Kumar Diggal judgments, your lordship has directed the state council to form the SOP and release the vehicle. That is your lordship's latest judgment.
अरे मैंने judgment नहीं दिया मेरे भाई.
It's an order.
This is not a judgment. This is
It's an
order.
Yes,
These guys, I have told them they are yet to file the reply. This is our judgment, but don't become confused.
kindly have a glass to that order also.
I remember what I
Yes, sir.
passed. Don't
Yes.
have to.
Yes,
show
your lordship.
that.
I
That is
I
that.
am not the accused, your lordship. My name has not been.
I
given.
know that, but
And,
my question is not that. My question is when there is a forum, you should have exercised your remedy there, then would have
Yes,
come.
the entire record is special court, how the STJ would deal with the matter.
Lordship, that is there,
Can
your
you
lordship.
call for the record from the special court to deal with the matter?
Your lordship, kindly have a glance the order of the SDGM itself.
क्या लिखता है वो?
With the rival contention, page 99, I peruse the case record and certified copy of city case number 35 of so and so, pending in the file of the Honorable District Judge Sessions Special Judge Fulbani Kandhamal. On perusal of this, found that this case of the prosecution so and so, before proceeding under the, it is opposite to refer the relevant provisions 52A have been reflected. Then they have rejected. That is there. And further, in view of read petition civil number 325, it is the
As the present case record is not triable by this court, I am of the opinion that this court is not the court of competence. जो दरकार ना पड़ेगी, सर
Lordship, further in view
I am of the opinion that this court is not the court of competent jurisdiction, and it shall not be appropriate on my part to come to a conclusion whether the alleged vehicle will be required at the time of trial for identification. वैसे clear कर लिखी दिला.
your lordship,
Approach the.
lordship, kindly have a glass
Nothing. Sorry.
page 21.
Sorry, I am not reading anything.
Further in
Clearly लिखिला.
lordship, further in view of the
जाले सीधा
page,
खाट पड़ा छो.
lordship, page 21, your lordship, page 21.
21 ले कौन?
Further, in view of read petition civil number 3258,
I am
Registered General Orissa High Court Cuttack, the Honorable District and Session Judge Kandhamal at Fulbani has nominated this court to dispose of the application filed by 52A224 NDPS Act relating to jurisdiction of Special Court of NDPS Act functioning at Fulbani. This is the communication made by the.
I am least bothered about all these things.
Yes, sir.
After that, where will you go? You will go to the district court. Khatam. ऐसे कथा बोली.
Liberty
Consequently, the petitioner is granted
with the liberty to approach the.
approach the learned special court.
Fulbani.
Huh?
Fulbani.
Special court Fulbani for appropriate remedy. Accordingly, this is such a it is done. And it is further clarified that if there is any delay in approaching the said court, the court shall liberally condone the delay.
Yes, sir. And one more submission, your lordship, that certified copy of the annex 2 may be maybe.
Okay, the certified copy of annex 2 may be released with by substituting.
Okay.
Item number 3.
May I please, madam? Madam, I am having a limited grievance in this petition, my lords. I have prayed for station diary entry of Purushottampur outpost, district Dhenkanal, my lords. Therein what has happened, my learned court below has rejected my petition. I want to use that station diary entry as of one of my defense, my lords, what happened, my lords? On the, my wife is died and committed suicide. But however, my family and I have been prosecuted under section 304B of and 302, my lords. My lords, on the day when I found that my wife corpse is hanging, my lords, I intimated the Purushottampur outpost immediately. Thereafter, all the proceeding has initiated.
They're not releasing that, not giving.
And they are not providing the station diary entry, my lords, and learned court bill has rejected.
That's the only prayer you have.
Yes, only prayer. my lords.
Come to the this order.
Whereas the order is that, my lords, that is at page number 39, relevant portion is 40. Learned Code Bill has observed that, shall I read, my lords?
They makes clear that without getting involved in the matter only, you have to make delay in the completions.
My lords, it is at 11th of December 2020.
The land constitutional petitioner has submit that. The petitioner has a very limited grievance in the present criminal revision, whereby the 6 the order of this court directing the which court?
ADJ Kamakhya Nagar, my lord.
ADJ Kamakhya Nagar to what?
To, my lords, summon the station diary entry of
To
Purushottampur
summon
outpost.
the station diary entry of Surat
Purushottampur.
Surattapapur likha hai.
Purushottampur, my lords.
Surat
Outpost.
Outpost.
Surat Pratappur outpost from
Surya Pratappur outpost.
23/11 to 2019 to 31st/11 2019.
Yes, my lords.
The entry of Surat Pratap outpost from 23/11 2019 to 31st/11 2019. The said petition,
November 8th.
the said entry is necessary, is a relevant piece of evidence in the trial. Hence, the submission of that entry is likely to prejudicially affect the present case pending before the
ADJ Kamakhya Nagar.
ADJ Kamakhya Nagar. Lord Constable, the petitioner further submit that the petitioner doesn't have any intention to delay the trial. Rather, the petitioner wants the trial to be concluded at the earliest. In view of the above, the prayer made in the present criminal division is why is he not coming? Irritating. Yeah. Accordingly, this court set aside the order dated 11/12/2023 passed in city session 16 of 2021 by learned additional session Judge Kamakhya Nagar Dhingana, and directs the said court to summon the
Station diary
entry from
23 November 2019 to 30th November 2019.
23 November 2019 to
30th November 2019.
30.
Again, 30.
November
November
2019.
19 months. Surya Pratappur outpost.
And from the Surya Pratappur police station. Police outpost? Outpost. It is made clear that the ADJ Kamakhya Nagar shall take steps to conclude the trial at the earliest possible without further delay. Hala?
Well, today is final hearing for the court bill.
Oh,
I only need that to argue my
ठीक
matter.
है, शांति से allow allow. Next,
Highly obliged.
Item number 4.
4.
Or I am for the petitioner. Here, lordship order dated 28/2023 under challenge passed by the member RCT. The deceased was a married lady and the petitioner is the husband.
Why unanimous engagement party?
Hello?
Why unanimous engagement party?
Railway. Railway is the party.
Railway को मैं करूँगा.
This is railway claim tribunal.
Oh, railway.
As per 123B1, in case of married person, 123 1B, the wife, husband, son, and daughter are the necessary party to the proceeding. Here, the learned tribunal has referred to Roman 2. The parents, minor brother, and unmarried sister, and all these things. They are not necessary party to the proceeding. That is under challenge. Let's come to page 27.
I didn't get. What do you
Yes.
want?
On scrutiny, it is seen that last part, what to that the parents of the deceased are alive now, and the applicant has not made party to them. They are not necessary party because the deceased was married lady. And
So what do you want?
Hello?
What do you want?
This portion to be set aside.
Which person?
This portion.
Yes. Yes.
The learned tribunal has directed to add the parents of the deceased as a party to the claim proceeding.
Yadav,
Husband
Who-
of the deceased who died in the railway accident.
this is dad,
Yes. And
ticket
in case
holder.
death of a married person, either her spouse and children are the necessary party.
Okay. So the parents, are they have independent income?
No application, nothing. Trial already started, the evidence on record clearly says she is a married lady and petitioner is the husband, police paper and everything clearly shows. Now the court on its own record saying that no, you add parents of the deceased as a party. There is not at all required for statute.
The notice का issue करना.
Railway copy देती.
Railway का copy दे दे. Notice तो Third count petitioner 2. यार क्यों खोल के आधार रखते हो यार?
I'll some copy to inner bill. Yes,
Give me a copy.
that's some fixed and sorted.
When do you want? When do you want?
Next week.
Next इतने short में reply आने पे अच्छा ये ठीक है. Okay. 20th February. Give me a copy to
For the
learned counsel for the what is that? AD, this Deputy Solicitor General. India. Mr. Party. Hello.
and for the proceedings.
Further person state. Next, rare declaration. Next,
That's correct.
Item number 5. My lord, pass over.
password.
First.
I
आपण जिते बरा एकरे असतले वाले बड़ा आर्ग्यू कर दे वाला होतली. Yes.
Item number 6.
May I please, Your Lordship? Matter relating to crop, payment of crop insurance, my lord. The state government, after due verification and after due inquiry over the land of the farmers, submitted the inquiry report that there are normal yield rate is 51% somewhat, my lord. And their crop loss is 49%, my lord.
I didn't know what I was saying. I couldn't understand. Can you repeat?
State government, after inquiry over the land of farmers, submitted the inquiry report that cultivators, farmers, my lord.
Okay.
Agricultural land over the in the Chandbali block, submitted the inquiry report that there are crop normal yield rate for the year of 2023, my lord, 22-23, that is for 51.84% is normal yield rate. Therefore, crop loss is 49.14%, my lord. And the state government submitted this inquiry report to the insurance company, opposite part number 3, but the insurance company, ignoring the inquiry report of the state government, started payment of 14% to the farmers, my lord.
SDFC.
This is the grievance
issue
proposal.
notice.
And in this regard, my lord,
এটা কো বেসিস রেজিস্টার সেগুলো আছে বেচে তার সঙ্গে লগাই দেবেন হবে let it come with the, along with the, give a copy to SDFC Mr. Rajit Roy.
my lord.
Insurance টাকা
Insurance company with the go to copy the hello
Yes.
give a copy to Mr. Mund and council for the
124.
sorry OP number
124.
124 and HDFC and a copy to Mr. Rajit Rai who usually appears for the HDFC.
নাই, GI.
Oh, এটা আলগা? Oh,
GIC.
sorry. By registered post, by registered. OP number 3 to show up to registered post. Request we filed within 3 working days from today.
Right.
List the matter. Zero. Next.
प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना इधर
अरे जो भाई ये प्रधानमंत्री होगी और मुख्यमंत्री योजना हो वो कौन आज तो सब खाली मंत्री योजना होगी और कौन टा होगी किसान रो नार हो किसान होनी प्रधानमंत्री योजना मुख्यमंत्री योजना किसान रो नार होनी
May I please, Lordship? Your Lordship, here the petitioner is challenging the illegal seizure of the vehicles and also prays to.
to 7 na
Yes, Lordship. Is challenging the illegal seizure of the vehicles and also.
why illegal tell me why illegal
Prior to the installment period, the vehicle has been seized, Your Lordship.
What?
The
शायद दौतले ठीक ठीक काम है
during the COVID period, the account was declared NPA.
सेटा कोना दिया prior to
The installment period was not over, Your Lordship, and prior to that, without giving any notice.
NPA को स्लीप कला माने नेबे installment period is not over माने कोना
Without giving any notice, Your
not
Lordship.
required not required did you know that when you are not paying 3 months pura continuous न देगी notice देगी आपण कोन माला देगी
That was the
आज्ञा
agreement
आपण
made.
को आमे गाड़ी सीज करिवु
Your Lordship,
दरकार
that was
नहीं
the agreement made to
What?
recall, to give a recall notice if the petitioner does not pay
okay
the installments regularly, Your
okay
Lordship.
आपण केबे देना
Your Lordship,
NPA केबे हला
into that date, we don't have, Your Lordship.
that is important madam when you are arguing a case on banking 3-4 important things you must remember when was the loan taken
No, Your Lordship, it's
just a minute just some general for your knowledge I'm saying when was the loan taken how much loan taken when it became NPA these are basic things you must know I think you know जाने के लिए हो
yes, it's a financing company, Your Lordship.
तो financing company हो जो भी हो you are for financing you are a financing company
So construction company, Your Lordship.
construction company तो कौन रहेगा ला you are loaning after all whatever what is your grievance
Your Lordship, the petitioner has paid as per the previous order of this honorable court. The petitioner approached the financing
क्या
company
हुआ
to settle the account and has also paid
what did they say?
50% to pay the 50% amount and to settle the account in favor of the petitioner, Your Lordship. The petitioner has paid, but till date they're not considering that representation, Your Lordship.
they are not concerned oh
No.
issue notice to Hinduja Leland Finance Limited opposite party sole opposite party by registered post with
Your Lordship, opposite party 1 and 2, yes, Your Lordship.
2 भी अच्छी
Yes,
two
Your
की
The Regional Transport Authority. They have taken the illegal seizure, Your Lordship.
illegal seizure transport authority अलग कौन problem थी transport authority सीज करते अलग issue थी वो भल के देखना जानना थी
Yes, Your Lordship, that is the issue.
transport authority सीज करिवो maybe some other events आपण टैक्स दे नथिबे कि आपण ओड हेतु ट्रांसफर अथॉरिटी कोन पे सीज करिवो पहले को ग्राउंड रे सीज करे फर्स्ट यू टेल मी दैट तापर बाकी कथा
Your Lordship.
को एक्ट अंडर रे सीज करे एटा तो जानथि को एक्ट अंडर रे
Motor Vehicles Act.
मोटर व्हीकल्स को ground receive करे.
But that I have no idea.
No idea था किंतु lawyer गिरी कला किंतु हो बिना idea रे. बड़े काम करो पढ़ी करी काली. Read it under which act वाला note बनेगी है ना. Which act under which act the vehicle is confiscated or seized whatever. तापरे what are the procedure for release everything. Show me that a note. है But tomorrow list में आटे tomorrow. काली पढ़ेगा नहीं कोड़े.
No, Your Lordship.
I remember your face. What is your name? Forget.
Rashmi Pradhan, Your Lordship.
No, that's me. Tomorrow you'll argue. Okay. Don't tell your senior. Ask your senior को छड़ा कर दे. Senior
No,
को
Your
बता
Lordship.
दे. Hello. Go. This is an opportunity you are getting. You should take the advantage of it. Argue कर ले जाके उड़ो. Hello. नहीं तो कहाँ वाला? 14. केनादी करूर बेस्या बैंक ओडिशा ब्रिज एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन कॉर्पोरेशन सरकार बोधे
Corporation were not.
यार काउंसिल किए सुन
The senior advocate Mr. Kanun
कानून को ना केंद्र रोइबा मठी बिगड़े ये रेसिडेंट होची कोन
at that time he was not.
आओ कैसे नॉन एपीएस लिखा नॉन एपीएस लिख दे नॉन एपीएस आगे नॉन एपीएस डिफेक्ट्स नॉट रिमूव्ड किसी को ना दी कुछ नहीं करते फाइल करके बैठ जाते हैं डिफेक्ट है ना defects pointed out the SR has not been removed yet है जी
नहीं remove है सब
है जी non appears for the petitioner. It is the last chance the petitioner is granted to appear in the matter or else the court shall pass order ex parte order like that. List the matter on 3 दिन पर 9 तारीख लगा दिया 9 तारीख ना उड़े 2 तारीख सीधा. Next.
Item 15.
15 Lords, I had already sent a letter to my client. On the last occasion, Lordship knew that I sought Lord's time because the brief was not with me. And till that I have not received an instruction because I put emphasis on instruction. Why? The interim order was not granted in this case. Therefore, if the proceeding could have been concluded in the meantime, therefore it would be meaningless for proceeding with the matter.
So what do you want?
Lords, I humbly pray, let the government council take instruction. What is the position? Whether trial is over or paid?
Okay, let registry. Obtain the status of the case. Place the matter on. March रे लगे दोषी first week रे 7th March. Next.
Item 16.
16.
I am for the petitioner.
Petitioner.
से last occasion तहसीलदार तो report call पर आया था.
अरे कौन पहने?
Big construction company.
Brick. हाँ.
से status से operational local authority operational NOC आने पे apply करते हैं. तहसीलदार तो
कौन ला report?
Lordship, I haven't received instructions. Proceeding has given me some more time.
Learn council with the state. Your name I forgot. What is your name?
Nikhil Pratap.
Nikhil Pratap. Submits that he has not yet been able to obtain instruction from the government. Let the matter be posted on 6th March for and the state shall positively obtain the instruction without fail. Without fail, next time no cost 20,000. 25. Allah. Next.
Item 18.
18. परमानंद करा पड़े गले जाफरुल्ला नहीं इवन तो सब बेल ड्यूटी से मैंने सिटी अभी की पचार क्रिमिनल डिवीजन जाए चुली को बेल वाला समझ दौड़ी दौड़ी करी बेल क्रिमिनल डिवीजन वाले सब लांजे चब्बी पड़ेगी हाँ एंट्री मर्डर खाली कर दी वाला इतने कथा कोड़ा on the request of land conservation list the matter on 5th February कहीं देखा नहीं despite the counsel for the petitioner requested for the adjournment to 5th February, that is today, none appears in this matter. It seems that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter. Password कर देता नाले से order लिखी वाला password कर दे नाले नहीं हाँ password पर लिखी तावर लिखी दो after password फिर matter आई लाव लिखी I thought dismiss कर भी है को इसको समझे 15-18 केस गुड़ा धरिक बसुनी आसुनाहांती काउंसिल आउ गोटे भी चाहते सीधा गोटे दिन केते जगिबी जी मन इच्छा आसो आराम से हली हली आसो कि को कोर्ट रे बिजी रहिबो एपडे मैटर आसो के आसो कि कोन नेक्स्ट
Item 19.
19
Last time non appeal.
non appears today also non appears on the non appears
19, 20 both same matters.
सेम 18/1/2024 रे भी के अपेयर करना थले तेनु ई कोर्ट बाध्य है डिसमिस कला नेक्स्ट
Item 21.
डिसमिस कर साइलेनी आउ नहीं हां आश्वास बेले आ मु जगिथिबि ना कोन
एते फास्ट
एते फास्ट बेले आ तम हिसाब मो कोर्ट काटिबो ना तम
petitioner
Item 18.
the order of cognizance.
18.
कोन है
Order of cognizance which is under Annex 4.
कोन इशू कोन देबो एनेक्सर 4 ए
Persons are kept contraband ganja in a jungle.
in jungle where
In a they're in a jungle in the
in a bush in a bush or under a tree or somewhere in the cave
put a jungle with they are stored and they are trying to unload in a truck. So that is where
trying to unload in a truck
loading in the truck.
loading you are seeing unloading
So getting such information, police went to the spot and found one person, some persons were engaged in packing the bags. They fled away, and one person, one Lakpati Deep, he was apprehended from the spot, and some 2-3 motorcycle was found there. This Lakpati Deep, he was apprehended at the spot. He confessed that these persons were there. So in that implication, the name of the petitioner and others were. So this is the only Lakpati Deep, he was apprehended and forwarded to. He's only complete his implication on the basis of the confession with the confession of the accused. This petitioner were there named in the FIR and investigation was carried on and charge sheet was submitted.
okay
And further material. So for the material is concerned, so for the complicity of the present petitioner is concerned, the motorcycle which was found from the spot, which was he stated the rider of the motorcycle, and subsequently it is during investigation it was brought out from the witnesses that this motorcycle was given by the present petitioner.
the present petitioner had given to somebody
ତାଙ୍କଠୁ କିଣିଥିଲା ବୋଲି ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍ କୁछ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲା ବୋଲି
କିଣିଥିଲା ବୋଲେ କେମିତି ମାନେ ମୁଁ ବୋଲି
ନା without any document
ମୁଁ बोला बिक्री पैसा दिया तुम लिया ले जाओ फिर no documentation
no document. So this the whole ballot thing
so no documentation nothing there is no transfer
so whole thing is that the complicity of the petitioner is the confession of that petitioner of the co-accused. The present petitioner is implicated, and that is I am challenging in the order of cognizance that since there is no further material in view of the judgment of the apex court, that
क्या जजमेंट कौन सा अपेक्ट जजमेंट बताओ तो अरे इन बेव अपेक्स कोड बोल देते हो
in case of Surendra Khanna,
बताओ दिखाओ कॉपी दो
I have also averred in the petition ballot.
एवर्ड
paragraph
नहीं
nine.
give me a copy ना Why are you not giving copy?
Memo of citation.
Award ରେ କଣ ଅଛି? ନାଇଁ citation ମୁଁ କାଇଁ ଖୋଜିବି ଆପଣ
No,
copy
no,
ଦେବେ ନା?
good note
ଆପଣ
of
copy ଦେବେ ନା?
submission with memo of citation I will give, madam.
Yeah, give it to me.
But my lord, here, order of cognizance is under challenge. And at this stage,
What is that challenge?
order of cognizance.
Yeah.
Let him file discharge petition. That will be considered. At the stage of cognizance, how magistrate will do all these things.
That is also right. Anyway, let him show now. He is claiming that he has a Supreme Court judgment. Let me see that tomorrow. Lord. Supreme Court बोल के हमको डराते हो क्या?
नहीं नहीं
हम नहीं डरते. 21. 21. पढ़ ले. Non appears. पासवर्ड कर दिया पूरे राउंड.
एंट्री मोड था कल कंटिन्यू.
ओ कल जाए कंटिन्यू करो. कल 21.
22.
22.
Petition challenge the rejection order passed by the special judge for releasing the cash amount which has been seized from the house of the petitioner. The petitioner has been involved in involved in 18B and 25, 29, 20B and 25, 29 in the NBS Act. Per matter, some ganja has been seized.
Some mean how much? How much ganja? Some माने इतकी भी some ही परे, इतने भी परे, इतने भी परे, इतने भी परे, 10 क्विंटल भी परे, कितने सारा कोई भी नहीं. Some
34 kg or
34 kg.
And he has been released on bail.
इतने कम.
हाँ.
मतलब bail तो पाई जाती है अपना.
Bail has been released on bail.
34 kilo bail पाई ना
हाँ. He has granted bail money. Has no criminal anti-state. But
अपन कब ऐसे दी?
My money has been which I have kept for my lord constructing a house at I have kept that money by taking hand loan.
Loan, hand loan. Hand loan ର कौन proof अछि?
ये documents ଦେଇଛି affidavit ଭାଇ
कौन कार affidavit?
ଯାହା ତ ନେଇଛି.
हाँ पैसा देले तो से की affidavit देता. अपन के 5टा affidavit. अपन जने आसीबे ଗୋଟେ client के आज्ञा affidavit है आपण दे देंतु. काम मोर काम हेइबो. आपण आराम से देबे.
And nobody is also claiming. They are saying he is not giving any document. Money has been seized from my
केते टका मिले?
75 lakh.
75 लाख. आपण को गां रे घर तयार करबे एटा?
ए भुवनेश्वर रे.
भुवनेश्वर रे. को बैंक रे लोन सॉरी. हैंड लोन आपण 75 लाख नेथिले.
बंधु बांधव
सेमती भी आप इनकम टैक्स रेट मारिबो. हैंड लोन 75 लाख जदी लोन आपण इनकम टैक्स छाड़िबो. जुआड़ होला फसबे आपण.
That has been seized. So I have afraid any security I will deposit security that amount.
एबे तो ईडी भी लागियो पैसा रे.
8 kg 596 grams gold.
एटा हैंड लोन
से तांकर भी सेरा
एटा भी हैंड लोन रे.
नहीं एटा 50 वर्ष तांकर बिजनेस माने गोल्ड बिजनेस. से जो गाय
या हमें को चंद्रमारु आसी.
बरहमपुर दिस इज बरहमपुर रे लोक माने.
हां मु तो जानि नि बरहमपुर लोक माने कोन करंती आ. तते बरहमपुर एंदी पूरा से महेंद्र दारू सिविलाइजेशन तळे चापी के रछि हम जानि पार.
सुना बंद कर रखि कि सो
था कहजंदी. ए के विश्वास करियो ए कथा.
सुना बंद.
आपण कहबे 75 लाख हैंड लोन आनिथिले. 3 किलो सुना हैंड लोन आनिथिले. हां हला आपण बंधक माने तो बिजनेस करंती.
बिजनेस
हां सेटा भी इलीगल.
से आगुरु जो चल
आगुरु चलला
फ्रॉम द
बुझांतु अथॉरिटी को बुझांतु मते कोन बुझौछंती. सेठी बुझांतु जाईकरी. आपण बुझे पाले साने जदी बुझिले मोर कहर कोन अछि. मु तो बुझु.
Nobody is also claiming I have no criminal antis this year. They are
एंदी लोकर क्रिमिनलाइजेशन न थाई किछि.
they are saying I have
पुलिस को पैसा आपण केते फसी गेले मु जानि पानु. पुलिस को पैसा दे खस जांदी. क्रिमिनलाइजेशन पैसा वाला क्रिमिनलाइजेशन न थाई जनरली. जो लोकर धरा पड़ला से जा घरे पूरा 3 दिन तक इनकम टैक्स वाला गणुथले. से तार किछि थिला कि माने किछि भी न था. केन जोड फसी गेला बिकॉज़ ऑफ पार्टी पॉलिटिक्स. तार थिला क्रिमिनलाइजेशन किछि भी न थिला. आपण भी नथिबो कोन.
but they are saying I have kept that.
What do you want from this court?
For releasing that amount. I will
that I can't see. That order I can't.
I will file the security amount.
Why should I, sir? Trial about trial पर अपन पाइबे.
पैसा मांगले.
After trial.
After trial एटा मु कहतरे. एरे आपण थिला भीतर देखु पण ईडी माडी आसीबे. आजिकली सब ईडी माडी आसुदी.
लोक धार एक्शन पैसा
बादल पर जदी पानी वर्षा हुए नि बादल आगो आसे तार ईडी धागे ना ईडी होची पानी वर्षा. That is the rainfall. then the consequence will follow. Bad aa jayega. But I can't help, sir. Sorry.
Because
Had it been a small, ଆପଣ ଫସି ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତେ ଗୋଟେ small amount ରେ 1,00,000-2,00,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଗୋଟେ କଣ ହେଇଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା? I don't know. 75 ଲକ୍ଷ 3 କିଲୋ ସୁନା ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର ଛାଡ ବୋଲି ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବି।
ନାଇଁ security to that amount I will
ମାନେ ଆଉ ତ ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
property security ନାଇଁ property security
75 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କାର
property security property
ସାର୍ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ବେଲ୍ ଫେଲ୍ ସିନା ଦେବି ଏଥିରେ କାଇଁ ପଡୁଛି ବେଲ୍ ଫେଲ୍
already
ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଦେ
ସେମାନେ
ବେଲ୍ ଯାଉ କରିବି
ସୁଧ ବଢି ସେମାନେ ପଇସା ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି
କି କଣ କରିବ କୋର୍ଟ କାନ୍ ହେଲ୍ପ କିଛି ଟ୍ରେସ୍ ଛାଡି ନାହାନ୍ତି କିଛି ଟ୍ରେସ୍ ମାନେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କିଂ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ ରୁ କିଛି ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା କଣ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଟୋଟାଲି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କିଂ
nobody is also claiming that amount
sir question is not nobody claiming or claiming question is this is trashed money.
Yes.
You have trashed the money.
that will IT will that ED will income tax ସେମାନେ
तो ମୁଁ କହିବି income tax वाला ଦେଖିବେ ବୋଲି କହିବି
ନାଇଁ ସେମାନେ as per instruction ED has also
sir I can't help you sorry I can't this is not a small amount I should say okay
they say ଆରଟାରେ ବି enforcement directorate investigation
अच्छा notice जाऊ तो state वाला notice करो notice ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଟେ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନୋଟିସ୍ କିଛି ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ କିଛି ଆଶା କରିବେନି ହେଲା କିଛି ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ଦେବିନି ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ returnable on 29th February. Next.
Item 23.
revision the interim release of vehicle.
Interim release of vehicles, what is the offense, sir? What is the quantity?
70 kg.
Only 70 kilo. It is before which court? Full warning, special full warning.
Petition is not the accused person, but the vehicle was obtained by the one of the accused section on hire, and the same as will engage in the.
Okay. So, what do you say?
So you will seek instructions on how the vehicle was used.
You want to take instruction? And consider the state 2 weeks time to take instruction with matter. List the matter on 28th. Let him take instruction.
This one. Okay, this one.
What copy then? Consider petitioner to give a copy. So take instruction on the next day. I'll not wait for your instruction and all that. If you get instruction, it's okay. If you don't get also, I'll release.
The earlier occasion, my lord, one of the state council has offered the instruction. He has taken fine.
Earlier occasion,
I was not present on the last, but I have followed up with the
release karo. Order pass karo.
Lordship will.
No, this is not done. Why? This is small information you have to collect and to take. I mean, up 2 weeks. 2 weeks. What is this? This is small thing. Otherwise, also I would have released. Just for your satisfaction, I am not. I am issuing notice. Otherwise, this should have case to immediately just to dispose of, like dispose of. No, not a consequence petition. Submit that. Unnecessary, you are wasting time of the court. କିଛି କେସରେ କିଛି ନଥିବ ଡେ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଡେ ନେଇ ଯାଉଥିବ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଦତ କି ତମମାନଙ୍କର
So I spoke to the officer. He told me.
Okay. No, କରନି the କୋ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ IIC ଫିରିଙ୍ଗିଆ ସେ ଦେଲାନି ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କେବେ ଆପଣ ପଠେଇଥିଲେ ଚିଠି କେବେ ପଠେଇଥିଲେ
Letter was sent on 30th January 2024.
30th January ଆଗରୁ କୋଉ ଡେଟ୍ ଲାଗିଥିଲା
This was on 22nd January.
22nd ଲାଗିଥିଲା ଆପଣ ଚିଠି ପଠେଇଲେ 30th ଜାନୁଆରୀରେ ଆଉ ଏବେ ଆଜି ହେଲା କେତେ ଜାନୁଆରୀ 5th February କେମିତି ପାଇବା ସେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେବ your fault. Immediately you should have sent on the 22nd or 23rd at least ପଠେଇଥାନ୍ତି
It's an error on my part. I'm sorry for this.
Error on your part. Had it been error on that officer's part, I would have imposed cost and he would have paid from his own pocket. Don't do this. Whenever your just instruction is given, you immediately you pass on that. So that he will be equipped with the information and he can get it quickly. I'm releasing that. I have the view that vehicles should not be kept in the police station. I have a clear cut view. Unnecessarily, you are allowing the vehicle to get destroyed with wear and tear due to rainfall, sunshine, everything. Unnecessarily. Half of the value of the vehicle goes once it's kept for years together. Unnecessary.
So we'll keep this in mind and follow up immediately on such matters.
That is kept in their mind, not that they don't know. They also know very well. They act smart. If somebody pays money, they will immediately release them. The petitioner challenges the order number 13/6/2022 passed by the learned additional session judge cum special judge Calicut. Read this case number 4 of 2022 for rejecting the petition filed under section 457 of CRPC with regard to the release of the page. Sorry.
24. 23. 23.
এটা তো এটা বললাম
Yes, it is. It is.
जस्ट ଆପଣ କଣ କହିଲେ vehicle
Mine. Swift Desire.
हाँ ठीक है passed by the long special judge Pulwani in the district of Hon'Ble. City case number 22/2013 arising out of Peringia PS case number 55/2022 pending with the long special judge Pulwani. That is लिख देगा. Learned counsel with the petition statement that the two persons were transporting huge quantity of ganja through Swift Desire are bearing registration number OD 02AN of 4096 from the what is the total quantity? The quantity recovered from the said vehicle was 70 kg. Quantity of contraband metal 70 kg and 400 gram. The said vehicle was seized since seized on which date?
Since 10/4/22.
Huh?
10/4/22.
10/4/22.
10/4/22.
And the said vehicle is in the custody of the police station? Shiringia police. Though the petitioner has filed the petition under 4. एमती काई लेखन दे 457 petition पहिला बेला लेखौ छु लेखिला बेला भी लिखिबी 457 petition माने कोन आज हिंदी लिखिबी अब लिखिबी petition filed under 4 petition लिखिबी कि 457 petition बस आपण कहू छथि लेखु छथि पहिला बेला बुझिछु ठीक लेखिला बेला ठीक लिखिबी petition under section 457 before the learned special judge Fulwani the district Kandhamal, which was rejected on 5/11/2022. Being agreed by such rejection, the petitioner has approached this court. Since the seized car is kept on the open space, exposed to sun and rainfall, and it is subjected to wear and tear gradually, which is likely to be rendered unusable after a point in time. In such view of the matter, the court, which court? The special judge Fulwani, district Kandhamal, is directed to release the vehicle Swift Desire.
My lord.
Which model of which year? 2 year old. गाड़ी मॉडल ना
OD 02N 4096 गाड़ी
गाड़ी नंबर से ना मॉडल कोई और हो कितने वर्ष पुराना गाड़ी
मॉडल 2017 में
70
नहीं
डिजायर 3 लाख टका दियंतु 3 लाख डिपॉजिट ऑफ 3 लाख रुपीस आउ आपण एंती कर आउ
6 लाख
हां से गाड़ी एबे एबे मार्केट किनले केते पड़छ जानते केते पड़छ एबे एबे 10 लाख 11 लाख पड़छ 10 to 11 लाख पड़छ
for year the value is deteriorated
तो डेटोरेटेड जे बाकी आपण गुटे सिक्योर करिवे नि आपण पैसा कोन दे दुछंदी पण पाई जिबे आपण केस चले
vehicle has been the second hand vehicle the petitioner has purchased
सेकेंड हैंड हो थर्ड हैंड हो एंती करी मु आपन को 50,000 दे बोली कहबी 2 लाख दियंतु आ फर्दर आर्गुमेंट करबे डिसमिस कर दी सीधा गोटे आइदर दिस वे दैट 2 लाख दियंतु कैश सिक्योरिटी किंबा किंबा कोन कैश सिक्योरिटी देबा कोन
instruction
ए सेक्शन नै के आसंतु तबे
1 lakh
Probably 12.
not 1 lakh petition is online
सर 1 लाख रे मते डिजायर व्हीकल आनी दे परबो ना दोजी आपण 1 लाख दे आने के आसंतु देखे
unemployed person
अनएम्प्लॉयड एम्प्लॉयड कथा नै सर कथा हो जे अब गाड़ी सिक्योर करछन गाड़ी को दरकार आपण गाड़ी से गाड़ी थिले आपण 10 लाख कमाई परिबे गाड़ी लगे की भड़ा लगे भी आपण करिवे
competition market now the market
मो सेटा भी स्टडी करी आपण रिपोर्ट देबे की मार्केट रे केते कंपटीशन होची कंपटीशन मार्केट कोन कथा माने कहउछंदी करियार छ करदु नले नै जानतु सीधा हम रिजेक्ट करछि आ यदि बायगण मार्केट भले आसी बार्गेनिंग करछन एठी वन आ एंती होइनी एटा ओडा 2 लाख तळु देबो करिवे कले न नै 2 लाख हम कैश and deposited before the set school and the set school will be related on the following conditions to continue okay disposal हला 2 लाख ओ 1.5 लाख कर दे आपण मो टिके हसंतु टिके खाली मो सुके गला तो आपण जदी आपण गाड़ी गला वाला होचंदी आपण आ फिर टिके आपण हसंतु आपण क्लाइंट रा गाड़ी से मो खुशी दौड़ुथबो कोड देखु आउरी गाना ट्रांसपोर्ट करथबो आपण मो खुशी रखिचंदी नेक्स्ट
Item 24.
24
1 week time my lord kind
1 week time कोन अछि केस की
release of vehicles
ए वेहिकल मते कर देबे वेहिकल आपण 1 week टाइम कमे नउछंदी मते रेडी अछि करिया कोन कहले आपण को गाड़ी मतलब वेहिकल रिलीज प्राइस फ्रीली आपण चिंता करन वेहिकल जार अछि सब लगान दो जल्दी जल्दी नेकी पळान
Chevrolet
हां
Chevrolet my lord one
Chevrolet
yes my lord
not Chevrolet the pronunciation is Chevrolet
She's 100 kg 100 kg of ganja my lord
100 to same order आपण देबे 2 लाख टका 2 लाख टका सिक्योरिटी देबे दिस इज द स्पिरिट देखलो हला जानतु काई टाइम नउछंदी 2 लाख टका सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट करंतु जानतु Chevrolet को गाड़ी
Sell. Say Sam. Digit that.
Sam.
Sell.
ठीक है तांगु 1.5 यांगु 1.5 कर दे 1.5 लाख कर दे ओके 1.5 लाख देके जानतु एबे चालू नहीं से गाड़ी तो एते Chevrolet आज मॉडल नहीं है मार्केट पॉपुलैरिटी खत्म जानतु 1.5 लाख टका सिक्योरिटी देबे देगी पड़ेगा से मॉडल
Next to your order.
माने तांकर से टेक्निकल लिखानी नेक्स्ट
Item 26.
26
Here I have challenged an order framing charges. But while going through yesterday, I found that I don't have a copy of the
Head of charge.
heads of charge. So your lordship may give me some time. So
okay when do I
take me around 10 days, my lord, your lordship.
should I give you the first week of March
Yes,
4th March yes 4th March
interim orders.
interim order continue next
27.
27
This is a matter where there's been a twin challenge to the order. We had filed a writ petition challenging the order of the NGT. Now the state also has filed a writ petition. And if your lordship takes that writ
state has
petition,
filed how state is aggrieved
And here the direction was given to initiate proceeding as the officers concerned. By that time, who were the Tahsildar of that time.
oh
Lordship. And last time, Lordship also heard this matter. In another case, Lordship remand the matter back.
Okay.
A similar issue without giving an opportunity of hearing, the order was passed.
I don't know why NGT that
May I
doesn't.
please your lordship?
I'm really very sorry to say, NGT, most of the cases they pass, even they don't give the
They
opportunity.
won't have power to pass the matter.
Without hearing the person, how can you
Yes.
pass it?
Yes.
You just
Lordship, may I
placed three
please your lordship?
paragraphs.
Yes.
Lordship, I am for the private respondent in both the matter. In fact, so for the first sub-item is concerned, I have not been served any copy. And so for the second item is concerned, I have been served a copy. Lordship, my wakalatnama in respect of second item has already been filed, but somehow it has not been reflected.
Okay. So, your wakalatnama is in which item?
In fact, so for item 1 is concerned, it is reflecting. Item 2 is concerned, it is not reflecting.
Okay, what do you want to say?
Yes, Lordship. Your Lordship has heard the has granted an interim stay order. So for the item 2 is concerned, on the ground that there has been no damage to the river bank or to the river ecosystem.
No, see, with so far as the damage to the river ecosystem or that part, I am absolutely whatever NGT passes order, nobody has to say anything. Only question is when you are passing order against some officer or somebody, maybe he may be a culprit. I don't dispute that. At least he should be heard. He should be given a notice. This should not be. Most of the NGT notice are like that. You do this, you take just suspend the officer. You do that without giving an opportunity.
So for this case is concerned, Your Lordship, in fact, there has been no person named against whom the FR has
Even if
been.
it is not named, it automatically it will found during that particular period who are the officer. All the officer will be just.
Lordship, in fact,
that is not an explanation, sir. At relevant time, who are the officer? He has to face the brunt.
They have been saying that at least 5 to 6 officers are there.
Maybe,
in that
maybe
period.
5 to 6, 7, who knows? Which part of Balesar? Nilgiri?
It is Jaleshwar, Lordship. This one is
near Jaleshwar.
Yes. So if a Lordship permit me, then I can file my response. And since I have not received the copy of the writ petition in item 1, Lordship may direct that.
Is it required? I am proposing to send it back. Let the NGT give them an opportunity of hearing and then pass order. Whatever order pass, we don't have any problem.
No, Lordship, since
the same order can be passed, but let them be given an opportunity.
In fact, as of now, there has been
one thing is true. During that particular, suppose a particular time frame, maybe from 5 years, 6 years, whatever, there may be many officers. It may so happen that one officer might have done all these things. The other officers there also be unnecessary.
Even that conclusion, Your Lordship may only see one paragraph of the writ petition filed by the state government. There's the first writ petition, page 15, para 10. Page 15, para 10.
Page 15.
Yes.
Yeah.
Para 10. That it is respectfully submitted that the applicant has also played foul with the learned tribunal as he has not enclosed proper photographs of the project site. Rather has enclosed.
Sir, that's why I'm saying, if you give an opportunity, just like it is, like suppose there was some problem in Kashmir, you are showing photograph of Gaza Strip.
Yes.
Saying, okay, this is, people will say, oh, Kashmir is such a, it is here.
Ghastly things have been done.
The photo will be of Gaza Strip. So this kind of problem also happens. On photograph, it can't be decided like that. Had it been so serious,
the directions between para 43 to 47 are liable to be quashed, and the matter should go on because he has not finally adjudicated. It's to be finally adjudicated. This is only an interim order which he has passed.
I am just
at this point of time,
I am not passing any order. Simply I'm remanding it back.
May I request your lordship? May I request your lordship?
Yes.
Because since I have been issued notice, I may be given an opportunity to file my response. If your lordship is not satisfied,
I'm not doing anything. Simply I'm returning back.
lordship, if your lordship will see the order, in fact, it is a absolutely reasonable order. I can come every para wise if your lordship allow me.
Need not. If I'm remanding back, all the things are not required.
No, lordship, since it
You
is.
file the reply, you whatever you have.
And second aspect is, so for this, my learned senior has already said that it is an interim order. In
Sir,
fact,
even if for interim order, sir, how can you pass an order with at the back of somebody and that
no,
is
nobody, they are party.
prejudicially
Lordship, they
affecting
are
that
party.
person? How nobody? If suppose, if say the officer who are during that particular time, does it not affect the people who are working at that
In
time?
fact, if your
5, 6,
lordship
7
will
officer,
appreciate,
whatever.
if your lordship will appreciate the fact, it is the job of the district collector who is the supervising officer of
Fine,
the
but
tahsildar.
fine, let them place their
Lordship,
facts
now
before the
prima
NGT.
facie,
NGT cannot pass such kind of.
no, lordship, my humble
NGT
submission
has
is,
jurisdiction, it pass, but it should at least.
yes, lordship, my humble submission, if your lordship may
I
allow
am
me,
not saying that whatever they are
I-
doing, that is, I don't appreciate the, even I am against these baluchur. I'm
yes,
totally
your
against the
lordship.
baluchur, but the thing
In
is,
fact, if your lordship
even
will
the
see,
baluchur also should get an opportunity of hearing.
absolutely, they are party, lordship, they are party before the tribunal, they are
Sir,
party. So for the,
party. They are
yes,
party.
this is a
What is
party.
it?
Yes,
I
yes,
was party.
yes,
There were
they
two.
have
I
contested
was
the
a
report.
party.
You, who are you?
I'm the lease proponent. I am the person who was
Least
signing.
proponent, na, but whatever the officer.
Yes.
Officers
They
were
were
not.
not the party, sir.
Correct, lordship. And to that effect, my submission is, since nobody has named, so for the order of the tribunal is concerned, so they are not
Without
prejudiced.
naming also they are getting
They are
affected.
not prejudiced because there is no
No,
name
no,
to that
they
effect.
shall be prejudiced.
Even your lordship has
Even if
rightly
they are
said,
not named, they shall be
your
prejudiced.
lordship has rightly said, out of the 5 officers, there might be only one officer.
And the
who
matter,
might be-
this is it, the petition filed by
So your lordship may kindly, so for the
Remand back.
second item is
Remand
concerned, in
back, sir.
fact,
Dono
on
remand back,
record-
dono remand back.
no lordship,
Both the
so for the
items-
second item, I may be allowed to file my reply to that effect.
Nothing, not required. I'm
No,
remanding
they are
both the matter
party.
back. I'm
Yes,
remanding both the matter back, sir.
no, lordship, your lordship has passed a order of 16 pages, showing that if a person or if a person is already a party, then your lordship has not never
Order,
interfered.
16 pages kuda
And
mo.
that order, if your lordship will
Little lamba
go
mundu,
to
Yes,
way 83,
Code mo 16 pages order pass kochi.
yes, lordship will place that.
Code. In 2 re.
Not in 2.
Huh?
There was a challenge against the order in way 83. And if your lordship,
I'm connected with this matter. He's speaking.
yes,
about-
yes, same lordship, same. And also one of the party in another case in Jaleshwar Tahsil, they have approached Supreme Court.
Let
And
them,
in that
let
case,
them, simply I'm saying, they may approach Supreme Court, whatever, I'm not on that.
yes, lordship. Only
I
if
am
your
on that
lordship,
one
my
thing,
humble submission.
they should be given an opportunity.
Absolutely, absolutely, they have been. In fact, they have been. So for the officers are concerned, of course, nobody is being named and nobody has been
Nobody
given
is
an
named, even if named, they have to, their name will come up.
Oh, lordship, in my respectful submission is that there might be, because they have been saying that at least 6 officers are there. There might be only one officer.
Mr. Pani, try to understand one thing. If a person, it may be 6 officers, 7 officers, 8 officers, I don't know. Maybe one officer might have done it. The other officer will unnecessarily, why should they face?
No, they need not.
No.
They need not, lordship. That's why the Honorable Tribunal has never said how many officers, who are the officers. That
Just
has
a
been
minute,
left
just a
to the
minute, just a
discretion.
minute. Hold on. Okay, I'm remanding it back.
Lordship,
accordingly dispose of.
that will be in fact prejudicing.
No, why should prejudice? I'm simply saying remand it back and just let them give let them get an opportunity of hearing. That's all. I'm not passing any order on
Yes,
merit,
Lordship.
sir. Merit, the NGT is free to pass any order on merit. I don't have any problem. Even I don't. I am also strongly votary of the river bed should be protected at any cost. At any cost. Even
Yes,
somebody
Lordship.
has to lose the job, let him lose the job.
Yes, Lordship, grateful.
He
Your
should be
Lordship.
given an opportunity, that's all.
Only my humble submission is that in that case, your Lordship may not pass the entire order. That is my submission.
I am simply remanding it back, let them given its opportunity, then they pass
Only in
order,
case of
whatever order
officers.
they pass, let them
Your
pass,
Lordship is
and
correct.
if
In case
anybody
of
affected, he
officers.
will go to the next forum, next.
In item 2, it may not be. In
Both
item
rest
2,
and
in
good.
fact, no, Lordship, in item 2, there is a distinction. In fact, there is this issue is still pending with State Environment Impact Assessment Authority to compute the environment compensation. That part is still pending. Because of this, your Lordship's order, there has been no progress so far that part is concerned. So in that case, they are not being
Different,
prejudiced
the
as of now.
two connected is different.
Yes,
No,
Lordship.
it
In fact,
arises out of the same order.
same order.
I have
Same
challenged.
If same order is remanded back, how
Remanded
can
by-
you-
Lordship.
then
re-adjudicate.
both.
In item 2, they are party. One.
Sir, maybe,
there is-
just listen one thing. If it is same order, one order is remanded back, I'm naturally, I'm
only-
setting
only
aside
to
that
that
order,
effect.
na? Once I'm setting aside, where does it go?
No,
Then it will
Lordship,
go there.
that's my humble submission. The entire
Nothing,
order
nothing.
cannot be
They
set
will- both
aside.
will
That's
go,
my
both will
humble
go.
submission.
Same order, they both will go.
No,
Both
I
will
may
go.
be granted opportunity to file my response because even I have not received
There,
the
yeah,
copy
and
of the
I'm
writ
just,
petition.
I'm releasing from here. Let it
I
go.
am not received the copy of writ petition, Lordship.
No, not required, not required. And the-
Your Lordship may make that some record that submission.
unnecessary counter rejoinder file को सही काम करिबी मु एबे काई कर देबिनी जल्दी काम सरिबो सेठी
No, Lordship, because since your Lordship is quashing the order, that's how.
I am quashing the order, I am setting aside and running it back to allow them to put for their
Only the officers. I agree to that effect, Lordship, because as your Lordship is saying that.
The officer himself has made a statement that all photographs have been submitted by.
No, photographs have been already contested. The photographs have been contested. Your Lordship will surprised to know that. Your Lordship will surprised to know that at least 7 crore that has been assessed. 7 crore. Because only they have the
I am
permission.
not surprised. You are understating. It must be
Yes,
20
Lordship.
crore. Don't say 7 crore. It
Great-
must be 20 or
grateful, Your
27 crore. That part I am not on that. I am on the issue of the.
My humble
No.
submission to that effect is your Lordship may, so for the first part is concerned, your Lordship may pass that order. Because even if though I have not received the copy, but so for the second part is concerned, they may
Now
approve the STR.
you are the petitioner there. Go and just.
That will, in fact, your Lordship knows that will take another time. That will take
No.
huge time. Rehearing
Yeah.
of the entire case is to take place in that
I
case.
know, but that this is something when the
Rather,
question
your Lordship may
natural
decide.
justice,
Your Lordship may
natural
decide. this
justice
case.
is violated,
I may-
then it can't be.
Nobody's
stand.
natural justice is being violated. That's my
It
submission.
is. You might
for
say,
the
but
second case is concerned-
this court feels that it is violated. That's all.
Lordship, so for the second case is concerned, they are party. They have contested.
But they arising out of the same
No,
judgment.
Lordship, that's a different thing. That part, so for the first part is concerned, only and only criminal liability of the officer is concerned. So for the second part is concerned, it is about environment compensation, the extent of illegal mining that has taken place. And satellite imagery has already been given as a proof by the State Environment Impact Assessment Authority. So, Your Lordship, those things have been done by a vigorous process has been carried out. That's my humble submission. And the entire order is clear, Lordship.
This is challenging which order? The
It's
first one.
challenging the order dated.
13/10/2022.
Yes.
And the second also the same thing.
Same order.
Okay,
Same order.
Okay,
order-
next item.
in fact,
Okay,
if
sir,
your
next
Lordship
item,
will
next
take
item,
my-
next item.
Item
Next
28.
28.
7 minutes to the 6. Right, but I'm actually for the party number 5. Will already disclose
Sorry.
opposite party number 5 in the sub item. I'm actually
Opposite party number.
5 state police.
What is your name?
CORAM.
Next.
May I please, So item number 28, today I'm filing the counter affidavit and serving the copy upon the petitioner.
28.
Yes, my lordship.
Okay, Land Council, the petitioner serving the filing the counter affidavit during the course of the day, and shall serve the copy of the counter to the opposite party accordingly. List the matter for,
Pilots,
if the petitioner wants to file the rejoinder, the petitioner is granted 2 weeks time to file the rejoinder. List the matter on March 7. March 7. Next. 29.
29.
My lord, in this case, two other items have been issued notice, my lord. I filed 3 cases. I withdraw 3 cases for filing that
And this one?
regarding grant of EC without giving.
This one?
This one.
This is, I mean, this matter is not withdrawn, na?
I have withdrawn and thereafter filed.
This is withdrawn and filed. Okay. Now, what is your say? You have filed?
No, notice has not been issued, my lord.
Okay, issue notice. To the Union of India.
Appeal provision is there.
No, EC appeal point was like
47 page number CD 47.
47 just
Next 4 my lord 47 page.
47. Yes.
An appeal against the environmental clearance shall lie with the National Green Tribunal. It prefer within a period of 30 days prescribed under section 16 of.
National Green Tribunal.
In notice ଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏବେ ଯୋଉ provision ଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆମକୁ EC that is in the year of 2020 ଆମକୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ କପି ପାଇଲା ପରେ ହଜୁରଙ୍କ ପାଖରୁ ଆସିଲୁ ସେ ଜଣେଇ ନାହାନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ କ୍ଲଜ ଅଛି ନୋଟିସ ବୋର୍ଡରେ ମାରିବେ ନୋଟିସ ପବ୍ଲିକେସନ କରିବେ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତକୁ ଦେବେ କୋଉଠି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି. For that reason we came and after that after my lord was pleased to issue notice thereafter some due to some defect I withdraw thereafter filed 3 cases.
But when was the public hearing or anything?
No.
When is notification was there?
Notification in the year of 2017, not 2017. EC was issued in the year of 2020.
But now you are governed by this rule, na?
But delay if we will be permitted to file the appeal, that would because the stipulation period is over.
What is the time?
1 month.
You file a reply. That's the repetition still can be maintained.
Copy number 1 and 2 are.
You file a reply. Have you filed?
I have copy, sir. Copy they
Give a copy to him.
Copy they did, sir. Copy it.
Now if they go on the delay ground,
both parties there.
They'll be thrown out on delay ground. That's why let it. Yes.
I'm accepting notice on behalf of opposite party number 3 and 4.
3 and 4. You give a copy. Land Council for the state accepts no, Mr. Misra accepts notice on behalf of 3 and 4, and you are on behalf of
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
I have served a copy on the
5, 6, 7 notice has to go.
5, 6, 7 notice.
5, 6, 7 notice by a registered post.
Mo copy they did Union of India upper copy they did.
5, 6, 7 by a registered post. Because you may file within 5 days.
Our appearance, man. DSJ along with the big party, my lord.
DSJ along with
BK party.
I have issued notice as regard State Pollution Control Board. But my learned friend is there. He is appearing on behalf of State Pollution.
So you accept notice. State Pollution Control, Mr. Nath may be served a copy. Mr. Nath was present in the court. Who is requested by the court to accept the notice. To accept the notice. Copy de diyantu samatha. How can you
6, 7.
Only 6, 7. 6, 7.
Notice already filed.
Okay, give a copy. Right, at least the matter on 13th March is kya kohthili?
The date
deni. 6th March. Next.
Item 30.
30.
May inclusive. Here, the accused in custody more than 3.5 years.
What is the allegation against?
Allegation in 376D. Here is the fact of the case.
376D.
ଏଥିରେ କଣ ହେଇଛି annexure 1 ରେ 2020 ରେ ଝିଅର father ଦେଲେ present petition others na 376D and 2020 ରେ ବି ମଧ୍ୟ ଝିଅର ଦାଦା ମାନେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯେ first FIR ଯେ informant ତାର brother ଦେଲା ଯେ ମୋ ଝିଅରେ କି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ 376(2)(NI ମାନେ in order to get the victim compensation act जो monetary compensation ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ କରା ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି ମୋର କୋ ଇଏ ରଖୁଛି ଯେ accused petition is more than custody 3.5 years. Trial not yet been concluded. Lordship kindly considering the period of detention of the
what is the trial stage?
I have
already registry after the start of the trial.
Fix a short date, Lordship.
Time not any time to the one. 26th. Next.
31.
31 କରିଗଲେ Madakami.
May I please, Madam? The petition is in custody since 7/6/2020.
31, my lord, in this case, your lordship directed me to obtain the up-to-date case diary. Today morning I received it. I have not gone through. Let it come on 8th. On that date, 3 more matters of my senior.
ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ କରିଦେବା।
ମୁଁ ଏଟା ନେଟ୍ ମେଲରେ ଆଜି ସକାଳୁ ରିସିଭ୍ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିନି ସେଟା।
ଠିକ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item number 32.
ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ପୁରା ଗୋଟେ ଲମ୍ବା ବିଲ୍।
Mr. Mood advised me.
ଦିଟା sacrifice କରିବେ।
Sacrifice.
This is called cross subsidization in economics. Cross subsidization. କାହାକୁ ଆପଣ ଡିସକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଦେବେ କାହାକୁ ଅଧିକା ଚାର୍ଜ କରିଦେବେ କ୍ରସ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ନା। ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item number 32.
32
Well, extremely non-applicable.
ନେକ୍ସଟ
ये 32 ରୁ 42 ସବୁ infructuous ବି otherwise ହେଇଗଲାଣି।
32 ରୁ 42 ଯା ସବୁ ଯାଉ let them go ଦେଖି ଦଉ ସବୁ check କର।
Sorry, my lord. हाँ 32 ରୁ 42।
बस गला नेक्स्ट
Item number 43.
43
Item number 43.
ఏనాది
43 भी non appears इतला last रो।
नॉन अपियर मेरा भी शेयर करो शेयर मॉडल यस
31 से करे थला non appears।
31 से नॉन अपियर नेक्स्ट 44
44.
आपण
Opposite party last of the non appear.
अपोजिट पार्टी कहाँ पे
Opposite party complained 130 and I got.
ओ
Amount is 20,000. Decided 2011.
इरे 44 ना
44.
कंप्लेंट पे आपण अछंती त आपण ना
Limitation and notice टा ଯାଇଥିଲା।
के आसनाती
आर्थर भी आसना से
पिटिशन भी नहीं
ना
जा काट कंप्लेंट आपण कंप्लेंट पे
हम opposite party डिले नोटिस ଯାଇଥିଲା। केस ड्रॉप हे गलान 2015 मसिया रो केस नाही किछि हम ता इन्फॉर्म भी करथिले से
dismiss ना प्रोसीजर लगले वाला नेक्स्ट 44 45
45.
45 on time दिया दिला परा नहीं
Item number
on time is granted to remove the defects failing which the matter shall be dismissed without reference to the court
এটা ডিসচার্জ ପାଇଁ ফাইল କରିଛନ୍ତି 2016 ରେ
अरे दया କିଛି ନାହିଁ सीरियस नहीं छाड़ा ये डिसमिस कर देला भला नेक्स्ट
मेन टाइम ट्रायल भी सरी सरी बना
हां सब सच है मु सीधे डिसमिस कर दूं 46
46 टा sorry it's no instruction.
no instruction 47
Item 47.
47 এটা কোন আছে 18 ম্যাটার এটা কোন নন অ্যাপিয়ার সেটা भी
Delay conversion.
এনি
Written
I would-
some deliverable last time called.
on delay non appears लगे थे non appears list the matter short date 8th लगे थे तब से दिन next
Item 48.
48
On behalf of Mr. H.N. Mahapatra, filing a fresh notice, my lord. Filing a fresh notice, my lord.
filing
Fresh notice, my lord.
of land concept of the petitioner submitted he is serving the fresh notice through registered post registered post list the matter on 7th March next
Obliged.
49
Item 49.
49 এটা কোন দেখলো
Removal of defects since last 2-3 occasion is taking time to.
non appears for the petitioner non appears for the petitioner it seems that the petitioner is not interested to remove the defects and want to pursue the matter ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଡିଫେକ୍ଟସ୍ ପାଇଁ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ଲଗେଇବେ ଡିଫେକ୍ଟସ୍ ରିମୁଭ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ 3 ବର୍ଷ ଲାଗିଲାଣି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମ୍ୟାଟର
Only one chance, man. Kindly.
ହଁ
One chance only.
ପାଣି ଦିଅ ଆଗ କୁଲ ବସନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି ଟେକ୍ ସମ୍ ଗିଭ୍ ସମ୍ ୱାଟର
Defect ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ସପ୍ତାହ ଟାଇମ୍ ଦିଅ।
ପାଣି ପିଅନ୍ତୁ ମ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଆଗ
Non appearance 8th of February.
8th February 8th February
Delay of 80 days. 80 days was there.
8th February डिले एक्सप्लेन करी I've already given the date. 50 days कौन पे थिला यारली
क्रिमिनाल जो देहटा खराब है से करि पालन किंतु मेरिट रे जो लॉस हार्ड
कौन
लास्ट ओकेजन
कौन है
I am challenging the order passed by the current additional
अरे सर
session judge.
कोई देले ना सब खोली फाइल न करी कौन तो कौन
Petitioner challenging the validity of the marriage of the opposite party.
validity of the marriage.
Marriage.
Can this court decide the validity of the marriage?
No, that is on that
I am
ground.
asking, can this court decide the marriage?
Not the court below. On that ground, the restitution of conjugal life has been filed by the opposite party. But maintenance has been allowed by the appellate court.
So you are
I am arguing by the divisional court.
challenging the maintenance.
Maintenance.
केते maintenance देवा कहथिले
2000 टका
आपण कोन करंती
डेली यूजर
डेली यूजर ने कोन करंती कोहंतु
ए दिन मजुरिया काम करे
दिन मजुरिया कोठी करंती कोन काम करंती कोहंतु दिन मजुरिया गां रे कोन कोठी
तार गवर्नमेंट सोचे मोर 6000 टका मजूरी रोजगार करे बोली मेंटेनेंस पिटिशन रे 125 प्रोसीडिंग
आपण का वाइफ कोन करे
120%
हाउसवाइफ से चिल्ड्रन
that was the allegation.
अरे भाई
Children was there, child was there, but it was not proved in the court below. And it was
court below कौन कहला
she failed to prove the marriage, and after also the civil proceeding filed under section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act by the petitioner of opposite party, she lost.
Okay.
That she is not the legal married wife of the.
8 they will hear it.
Yes, madam.
8 opposite party को notice देछि ना
Yes, madam. Last को तो नहीं हो जाए
appeal आसेनी
last को
ताकू डाकी देंतु गुटे दिन सुन दाको हला
माले
8 रे सुन publish the matter for final hearing लिखि दे 8 को कर दे तांगा ना लिखि दे एचर कर हां एपिस्ट कर दे next
Item 49.
49
Only 1 week time may be granted to
one week, sir,
release of the vehicle.
last chance is granted to the petitioner to remove the defects within a week, failing which the criminal revision shall be dismissed without reference to the court.
Deeply.
Next.
Item 50.
50.
Madam, please allow. But I will file a petition for amendment that on last occasion that notice has been returned with a notice that insufficient address.
Do you want to change the address?
My lord, now from the proposed opposite party, now the function as a secretary, I want to take notice on the opposite party.
Okay. Lord Constable petition. Amendment file कर सकते ना कर दे.
Constituted plan भी अभी constantly file. One more plan. I may be permitted to take notice on both the address. You know, one is the Bhubaneswar address and Bhavan. Where is that?
Petition is granted liberty to serve on both the addresses. I'll list the matter on when do you answer?
My lord, after substance of notice, my lord.
March कर दे.
My
5th March. Good day, Panchayati Raj Day.
my lord, by 4th of day.
Okay, next.
Item 51.
51. 51. Nanti. Nanti. लगी नहीं मैडम लगी
Last time time नहीं थी remove करे
non appears for the petition list the matter on 15 no 15 लग देखो next
52.
52
Item 52.
52 Ravi Kenan non appears list the matter on 12 next
53.
53 53 53 वाला केना non appears defects pointed out remove which defects pointed out the registry has also not been removed
5 तारिख रे अपन ऑर्डर करथिले डिफेक्ट रिमूव करया पे आज लास्ट चांस
4 weeks time granted to the learning council for the petitioner to remove the defects. Despite 4 weeks time has been granted to the petitioner, he has failed to remove the defects. It seems that the petitioner not interested to continue the matter academic basis for non. If any cause of action, let him remove the defect.
Item 54.
Aaj lekhan simply however for it is like that. Next.
54.
Next.
Item 54.
54 कौन? Other defects. Add admitted ହେଇଥିଲା ଏ ନାହାନ୍ତି ଖାଲି. Okay, non-APS. List matter on खाली matter date पर date चालसी कुछ नहीं. Non-APS. List matter on 6th March. Next. 55.
55.
55.
Item 55.
Non-APS. Sixth, there, sixth. Next.
56.
On behalf of Sanjeev Mahanti, notice was issued, my lord. Litigants are filed on 24/1/24.
Any submission?
Notice notice. Yes. It did not return. It did not return.
It did not return.
It did not receive that. If they receive.
How much time will it? Okay.
Interim order.
Service is not complete. This matter 7th March. Interim order tribunal to continue. Next, 57.
Item 57.
May I please? Before my learned friend starts, your lordship kindly see the petition itself.
Yeah.
Petitions, your lordship kindly have a glance at the petition. It is a one-page petition without any prayer, my lord.
I've already filed the prayer with prayer, my lord.
You filed a modified thing? Have you filed the modified one?
No, my lord.
Do one thing, sir. Just prayer nahi kichhi nahi apanakaro.
Grounds
grounds में किसी नहीं एमती फाइल करा जाए नहीं सर. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks to withdraw the criminal revision in order to file a better petition. Accordingly, the withdrawal is granted. File a better one, sir.
Okay.
Ground lekhantu, ground facts lekhibe, ground lekhibe, prayer lekhibe. Seta nahale complete jaha annexer darkar debe. Seta nahale complete nahi. Au thare kouchi. Facts lekhibe short re. Ground 1 2 3 4 जहाँ ground रही लिखिबे prayer लिखिबे आउ आपन जते ये annexer लगे भी सब तापर जी complete हबो हला.
Yes, my lord.
Next.
Item 58.
58.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. I pray for a short adjournment, Your Lordship. If Your Lordship may kindly permit me. I have to get instruction.
If I don't permit? If I don't permit?
Your Lordship, I'll make my submission, but I needed some information respect to the
What
dates.
information?
I don't have instruction respect to the date on which charges were framed. I want to take that instruction.
What is the
One of this case is against, I've moved an application against the rejection of a discharge petition that I had filed before the learned court below. I am the in-laws, my lord. And earlier I had filed a quashing application before this honorable court, but this honorable court directed me and granted me liberty to move this honorable court after moving for discharge. And
What happened?
my lord, in that case, my application for discharge was dismissed on the ground that I had filed that application on a belated stage. After charges were framed, I had filed an application for discharge.
Naturally.
My lord.
Rightly.
That is the only instruction that I needed to take with respect to when the charges were framed, because I don't have that particular order.
Okay. This is matter on 7th March. Next.
Grateful.
59. 1 week time defect may be removed.
1 week time granted for removal of defects, failing which the matter shall be dismissed without reference to court. Next.
Item 60.
छोलो आपण ऑफिस रे केते जण अछंती केते जण एसोसिएट अछंती
3 जण
डिफेक्ट रिक्योर कर पनाती वर्ष वर्ष लागु टाइम न नउछंती हम ये ठीक खराब लागुनी पके देला डिफेक्ट देखि रिमूव कर ना नेबेनी ए कोन एटा Remove the defect immediately. Our time per time magi chalchandi. The defect per time removal per time magi I will not grant any time. So that dismiss kar this. Right. The officer gada gada achandi clerk duita dinna rakhi dibo. Agar kom pai rakhi jata. The defect remove kar paribini. Next.
Here matter the petition is the husband has challenged the maintenance awarded by the London trial court and which is confirmed by the honorable appellate court, my lord.
Kete ଆପଣ କଣ କରନ୍ତି? Husband କଣ କରନ୍ତି?
The laborer, my lord. He
କୋଉଠି?
works in a private factory in Paradip Port.
Paradip
And
Port.
my-
Stevedorer. ମାନେ କଣ କହନ୍ତି? Stevedoring work.
नहीं, Chennai based company, exact nature of work I have known.
Chennai based company.
Radhika some
କୋଉ company?
Chennai Radha some name.
So you are working there.
Not there.
Okay.
And,
How much salary you get?
It depends upon the number of hours, with days I work there. It is 6,000, 9,000, how much is zero?
Roughly କେତେ ପାଆନ୍ତି?
9,000 has been
On the
awarded.
average କେତେ?
My lord,
On the average କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ପାଆନ୍ତି?
average around 15, 16,000, my lord. 9,000 has been awarded,
9,000.
my lord. Ailing mother, I'm the only animal member.
Okay, let the issue notice ହେଇଛି?
I hate first time.
Issue notice to the
Delay is also there.
on delay also. କେତେ ଦିନ delay?
150 days.
हाँ ठीक है delay करना पड़ेगा. Delay करना. Issue notice delay करना issue notice.
Obliged.
ठीक है. That's it. Date of actually actually. Date. ये मार्च में दे दिया. March 11 कर दे.
Item 61.
2 minutes around 8 लगा. 8 बनाले dismiss कर दे इसने. Date.
Okay.
Next.
I'm set for the opposite part number 2 here.
Yes, Mr. Mishra.
Yes.
Open part number 2. Mishra. Next.
Item 63.
Opposite
63.
63.
I'm for the opposite part number 1 matter.
Petition नहीं?
Not the Gorathra.
2012 मीटर कौन है?
लोन ने तो लोन टा सूचना की नोटिस जाइला वाइफ ने लोन से
Non appears. On last occasion also on last occasion on 25/1/2024 non appears. It seems that the petition not issued proceed not dismissed for non prosecution. आगे तो however लगाने सीधा उड़ दिया. खत्म. Next.
64.
64.
my appearance may be number 1 in this case. 63.
Opinion. Mr. DK Mishra.
DK Sahu matter. DK Sahu.
Mishra लिखा है क्या? साहू पूछने.
मैंने से भूल लिखे दिए इसके DK Sahu.
साहू.
Opinion number 1 matter.
Opinion 1. Next. DK Mishra लिखा है तो मैं तो हाथ में. Next.
Item 64.
64.
Opinion number 4.
4. अगर कौन दिया?
So I am there for opinion number 1, 2, 3 back.
1, 2, 3
Last
bang.
time- last time-
4 आपने किए? 4.
For the village industries commission.
Oh.
Last time the petitioner took time to find out as to whether the cause of action still survives or the.
No, the petitioner doesn't, I mean, where is he, the council कहीं? Oh, खाली लगे थे उसरे, खाली ना लगे थे. खाली, 4 दिन लगे थे. 7th लगे थे. 7th. 7th ना लगे थोड़े. Non appears. Next.
Item 65.
65. See अवस्था. Sand. Non appears. There you go. Non appears. Place the matter on 8.
66.
66, I'm a petitioner. My lord, perhaps no instruction, my lord.
No instruction. Perhaps no instruction. Why do you say
No,
perhaps?
sorry. The matter
Sir,
becoming
you
infructuous.
you should be very careful.
I'm sorry.
Can't say perhaps no instruction.
And the matter becoming infructuous, yes, no instruction.
Next.
Item 67.
आपका ना कौन?
Sandeep Rath.
Sorry?
Sandeep Rath.
Yes, Sandeep Rath लगी दो. On behalf of the petitioner, submit that.
67, my lord. On behalf of Mr. Panda, and the matter to be taken next week, my lord.
You are for the petitioner?
And for the petition.
2013 मैटर मन को आपण टाइम मागन हमको खराब लागे नी
No, my lord, since I am not aware that much of aware of the facts of big city matter of 2013, my lord. The matter is about illegal action of the opposite party, one and two, for not paying.
No, last time के opposite just आपण last time appear करना थे कि मन इच्छा appear करन केबे इच्छा लागला करन के नाही कोन एटा
I have to look out, so go through the documents and pick since the matter of
2013 मैटर मैडम प्रिपेयर करी आज करे नल डिसमिस करी स्ट्रेट आ मु एते लिएंस देखिबिनी अननेसेसरी तो लिस्ट मैटर ना 8 फॉर फाइनल हियरिंग होला नेक्स्ट 8 ना आले मु डिसमिस करी कोन बार बार एवरी टाइम ने
मु एटा मु जानि ने मु एबे मोर बेसी दिन प्रैक्टिस तो एटा 2013 मैटर तो I have to go through the
13
documents and the
2013 मैटर 13 रे लगुजी 13 रे आर्ग्यू करबे करन तो ना डिसमिस कर 13 फरवरी होला नेक्स्ट
Item 69.
68 69
68 टा 13-2 को जाइछ
के ओटे पर
एटा से क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस में
क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस से गुड बैच मैटर आउट 13 रे सेति में से डेट को जाइछ नेक्स्ट
Item 69.
Item 69, I am there for the opposite party, your lordships.
Who is for the petitioner? None. Regular? Best.
Last time non appear.
Non appears. Non appears for the petitioner on 31st 1 2024 also. Non appear for the petitioner. Still the petition not dismissed. Dismissed. Next.
Item 74.
What is your name?
Shoumi Das, S. Das, on behalf of Mr. Nanda.
Soumi.
Yes, sir. SOUMI.
SOUMI. Soumi Das. Appearing on behalf of Mr.
Santosh Kumar Nanda.
Nanda. Next.
Gratefully.
Item 74.
74.
You have taken up 2 weeks after.
Sir, 2014 मैटर में कहीं टाइम आ
सडन लिस्ट रे पड़ी से
हां
जानि पर न
सडन लिस्ट है हो on the request of the petitioner this matter on 23rd February. Next.
75.
75.
Item 75, I am on behalf of my learned senior Mr. Das Merit. As per order dated 8/5/2015, my learned senior was to file an affidavit. Lordship, can you see the order?
भाई कौन करे चाहछली हां
मिलाटा थला माइनर तार बापा नेतला फिक्स डिपोजिट 2002-3 रो मैच को देश अलगाडी बिना होटल भी माइनर थला 13 रे माने तार 10 वर्ष परे सी स्टेट क्लेम ददी खाली जस्टिस रथमु से गोटे पॉइंट करथिले एट दैट टाइम the letter by due to oversight a letter issued to the minor daughter and the father to prove their KYC norms. By that time it has already been taken care of, payment has been made. So सेटा भी मुद्दा हो तो तुम पाउन बिल
का पेमेंट दिले
आगे
यांकु दिले
Father of the petitioner को दिया है
पिलाटे दिवर्ष
father of the petitioner को देथिले माने because this boy was at that time minor
child was born and the mother died. Mamu
received or not is a video-old matter.
He is not
only one date may I pray.
he is that आपण तार डिटेल रेकॉर्ड दे दियंतु
हां मु ताको दे दे
एबे रिसीव कर
मु दे दी
वेरीफाई कर
फाइल पे पाम
okay list the matter on 15 hours
15 euro
15 next
76.
76
Item 76. On behalf of Mr. Raut, no instruction.
no instruction in practice 77
77.
no instruction.
Non appeared last time.
Non appears non appears on the last occasion also on 22 1 2024 non appears with the petition however
This is I think it is a railway matter. The name at that time the councils were there.
ये तो
only-
I am least bothered about all these things. He asked me dismiss करी straight. कि council change हला कौन हला there is their problem. Why should not they follow it? यदि council change हला railway रे काम नहीं council की हला तक instruction देवाटा. 2014 में धरिकी बसथि रेलवे आसीबो से काउंसिल चेंज हला से हमको हला नहीं हला 9 वर्ष हला नहीं मरसा 9 वर्ष कंप्लीट गलानी इनफैक्ट
now DSGI is looking
ये
after this.
देखछि देखो डिसमिस तो करियो याग दरकार देबो से फाइल करियो तळा मैं ऑप्शन दे दीछि मासे भीतर फाइल करबे नेक्स्ट
78.
78 এটা কোন
It is same. Last time
टाइम
on
सेम ऑर्डर कर टाइम सेम लास्ट टाइम डेट को
30th January.
on 30th January also non appears today answer January also it seems not a person next 79
79.
79 we see non appears other we non appears excuse the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter on the previous agreement on 22/2016 non appears dismissal non prosecution वो लोक अदालत not even non appearing लोक अदालत
The bank appear करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ अरे उड़ी काम करा उड़ी डेट दे दे शॉर्ट डेट दे दे 9th दे next
Item 80.
80
Item 80. जो 70 पर आज लिस्ट में 2017
9th लग दे
Item 82.
82
last time I know you lost it at a direct incorporate Borapur development.
you have implemented
Yes, sir, and also cost I will also add also with the cost.
you have filed there
I will find that but it may not come there, but I am finding.
no you have to file that in the account
Okay.
you have to file the account list the matter on 12 कर दे 12 कर दे you are for
Same, my lord.
you are for which party
My lord, I have filed that today both the matters should come in connection of 22488 by 2015, but it haven't reached today.
you are in this same matter
Item 82, my lord.
oh 82 you are for which party who party पे appear करछदी
Petitioner, my lord.
petitioner
Yes.
आ मैडम का पे करथिले मैडम आपण का पे
फर्स्ट आइटम पे करथिले से सब आइटम
ओ अच्छा आपण सेकंड आइटम रे करथिले
That I am for the petitioner, my lord.
कनेक्टेड आइटम रे ना से फर्स्ट आइटम रे
Item 82, my lord.
82 रे दुईटा आइटम अछि को आइटम रे आपण करछदी
List are the
फर्स्ट आइटम
3307 of 16, my lord.
you are appearing in which item madam
My lord, 469 of 2016.
you are in the connected matter na what is your name
My lord,
Jemima Sarkar, my lord.
Jemima sir
my lord, with this matter, my lord, another matter is also there, my lord. 22484
give
of
the number give the number
your lordship has directed on Friday to come today.
next
kindly be exclude item number 54.
sir मझिरे आसी कंटिन्यूस चलला मझिरे
I could
no mention करिवे ना वो दुईटा बेले बसिला बेले कोड मेंशन कर देबे मझिरे पसियाडा इज नॉट अ गुड ट्रेडिशन केते नंबर
54. ସେଥିରେ ସେ appear କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
6th of March 6th of March
ଟିକେ earlier ने
earlier हवा
DV Act ର case ଟା
ए पुराना मैटर गुडा
DV Act ର case my
जो
lord.
केस
This is a second revision petition.
हाउ
DV Act.
सही डेट आसी
My lord,
सही डेट आसीबो
6th March.
6th March ए भी पळेइबो दिस 6th March पळै आसीबो
Item 83.
I am appearing for the
आपण केबे दरकार आपनकर
काली आसुन
काली ही परिबेनी एते जल्दी कहबे आसीबेनी एग्रे एते जल्दी पुणी काली कहबे
my lord, day after tomorrow. ସେଥିରେ ସେ ଖାଲି actually ଦବା କଥା ଯେ police through ରେ ସମନ ଜାରି ହେବା କଥା.
8 58 8th.
Mobilized.
Yes, apna.
I am appealing for the 83. I am appealing for the 4 and 5.
83.
हाँ.
4 and 5.
हाँ.
Petitioner by nahi.
No, last occasion also he is not present.
तो आपण एपीआर फाइल सेटी करिवे ना एठी करछन्ती आपण एठी थोड़ी दिया जाए ए वकालतनामा रेजिस्ट्री काउंटर इज अवेलेबल फॉर दैट non APS for the petitioner list matter 13th रे गोटे चांस दिया जाए देखो नेक्स्ट
Item 84.
84
Item 84 after lunch, my lord. Ma'am.
appellant
Yes, ma'am.
appellant केंदी रहले आज्ञा आपण रेट पिटिशन रे कोन appellant लोग कह जाए रेट पिटिशन रे कोन कह जाए पिटिशनर ना appellant को
Petitioner.
अबे अपीलेशन appellant बा सब जहां ऐसा ता वर्ड यूज कर दोछन आपण
Nan mo appellant and petitioner करछि.
हां एटा भी आपण ठीक कंप्लेनेंट appellant काण वर्ड ने कहउ जंदी
Pass over.
पास ओवर
Yes.
कोन भाई
Okay. After lunch আছে.
हो आफ्टर लंच नेक्स्ट
Item 85.
85
I am the prisoner as a for the SN9. 2 weeks time.
why 2016 matter sir you should come ready what is this every time everybody asking for time then why I am for then I just for adjournment बस adjourn dismiss कर पड़ी हियरिंग करे बसी adjourn करे बसी कौन अच्छी मैटर कौन तुम किसी जानने तो कौन पाइछ ताले
SN9 को फिर टाइम पाएगा.
किए कहला
SN9.
तो आपण खाता मागी थांते ना तार बही मागी थांते
सकाळे टाइम मागुतली.
ठीक अच्छा अच्छा ता देह खराब छु कहू नाती आपण
Today I am serving the counter copy, counter
ठीक
affidavit, my lord.
6th March हला 6th March
Sign करी दे.
next
Item 86.
86
Yes, please, alert. My lord, item 86 is also received the last order, 1/2024.
अरे भाई और कौन केस टा कौन
Again, say, yes, filed and content for non-compliant.
what is the issue what is the content for
He was, the opposite party was directed to consider his case for regularization. We have considered his case under a scheme. That is a scheme for regularization.
consider a contempt कोड हेबो
As a state-
consideration रे को contempt रे पॉजिटिव ऑर्डर नो है consider ने कोन एडा पड़िला वाले ऑर्डर टा आओ consider request आ मो इच्छा ला कॉली नि जा तापर हां फिर कॉल कर छंती तार contempt कोड अछि then where is the contempt
My lord, may I submit? My lord, in this case, we have filed an IA for amendment and implead of party.
आओ गावे पार्टी बने की
Actually, in the meantime, the opposite party number 1 retired from service.
I am not going to do anything. I'm simply saying there's no content made out since they have considered
No,
it.
no, my lord, may I kindly be taken after lunch, my lord, my senior will argue, my lord.
Who is your senior?
Mr. Sadashiv Patra, my lord.
Okay, after lunch कर देता
My lord.
after lunch
My lord.
detail
My lord. Public.
next
Item 87.
87
For the petitioner, my lord.
कौन
File the counter affidavit.
what is the issue
Medical negligence.
medical negligence कौन है medical negligence
PLA order.
नहीं कौन है ला
Actually, D5 रे रेसिडुअल टा से D4 ରୁ D6 पर्यंत काटिले. मतलब कि 32 वर्षर पिलाटा पूरे बेड इट.
कोडी कटक
कटक. लाप्रोस्कोपी हॉस्पिटल बादाम.
private hospital
Private.
hospital शेयर करिवे काटिकोटा देवे
No,
नहीं
I am appearing for the hospital. Man, the last
पैसा
occasion.
पैसा केते देबा पे कहछि
No, man, that
10
doctor
lakhs
already
award
trained.
हैला केवल
The
against
last-
the doctor.
हां
10 lakhs award हैला against the doctor.
हां
Doctor 10 lakhs देइछन.
हां
किंतु रीट against the laparoscopy hospitals.
hospital against
25 lakhs claim थिला 10 lakh award.
No, hospital against not लागेछि. Eta in meantime that order ta your lordships can turn to page the operative part of the order page 42.
page 42
Yes, ma'am.
Forty-two.
My submission before the lordship, I mean, meantime, the proprietor of the nursing home already expired. This is the copy of that death certificate.
But the nursing home is closed now.
No,
Closed,
my
closed.
instruction with in the last occasion. I
It's
also-
closed now.
Yes, ma'am.
Nursing home is closed. We'll pay them.
Continue.
Now, continue with the other.
ଡକ୍ଟର ତ ପାଇଗଲେ ଆଉ ନର୍ସିଂ ହୋମ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ କିଏ ଦବ ପଇସା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ?
32 ବର୍ଷର
32 ବର୍ଷରେ କଣ ନର୍ସିଂ ହୋମ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ ତ କିଏ ଦବ ସାର୍?
ନ୍ୟୁଲି ମ୍ୟାରେଡ୍ କରିଥିଲା
ଏଟା କମ୍ପାନୀ ହେଲେ ଆଉ କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ମରିଗଲା କମ୍ପାନୀଟା ଚାଲିବ ଗୋଟେ ଆପୋଲୋ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ କି କୋଉ
ଲୋକ ପାଖରେ ପଇସା ପଡୁଛି ପହଞ୍ଚିକି ନାହିଁ କି
ପ୍ରୋପ୍ରାଇଟର ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ ପ୍ରୋପ୍ରାଇଟର ଡାଇଜ୍ ଏଭରିଥିଙ୍ଗ ଗୋସ୍ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଟୁ ଡୁ? ସେ ଲୋକ ମରି ବି ଯାଇଛି ଯଦି ହଁ ବିଜନେସ କ୍ଲୋଜ କରିକି ଆଉ କଣ କରିଥାନ୍ତା ବୋଲେ ଓକେ ଅଗେନ୍ still you have a chance.
The young boy that
କଣ କରିବା? Let's matter close କରିକି ଆଉ କଣଟା କରିବା? କିଛି କରିବନି। ହଁ
ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେଇ କ୍ଲାରିଫାଇ
ଆଉ କଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେବେ? ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ବନ୍ଦ ବାନ୍ଦ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଆଉ କଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେବେ?
ତ ଠିକ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ
କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଡେଥ୍ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଭୁଲ ଲେଖିବେ।
କିଏ ପ୍ରୋପାଇଟର ଥିଲା
ନା ଆପଣ କପି ନିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଆପଣ କପି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି।
ନିଅନ୍ତୁ।
କଟକ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ପ୍ରୋପ୍ରାଇଟରସିପ ଚାଲିଛି ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ ଡକ୍ଟର ନାଁରେ
ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଗୋଟେ ଆକ୍ଟେଡ ଅପନରେ ଚାଲିଥିଲା ମେନ୍ ପ୍ରୋପାଇଟର ଯେ ପିକ୍ଚରକୁ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି ହି ଯେ ଡକ୍ଟର ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ଭାଇକି ପ୍ରୋପାଇଟରସିପ କରି ଚଲେଇଥିଲେ।
ସେ ତ ନାହିଁ ନର୍ସିଂ ସେ ଭାଇ
ଏନିୱେ
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମେଜର ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଏଥିରେ ହେଇଛି
କଣ
ମେଜର ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଗୋଟେ ପିଏଲଏ ରେ ତା ଲୋକ ପାଖରେ ପଇସା ପହଞ୍ଚି କି ନାହିଁ ସେଟା ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ନର୍ସ ଷ୍ଟେଟ କାଉନ୍ସିଲ ଲୁକ୍ ଆଟ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ କେସ୍ ସେ ଟିପ ଚିହ୍ନ ମାରିଲା that the complainant the PLA case and now the application filed before this honorable court
ସେ ଲୋକଟା ଡାକି ଆଣିବେ
ହଁ ସିଗ୍ନେଚର ପାଇଛି
ଡାକିବେ ସେ ଲୋକଟା ଡାକି
yes ସେ ପଇସା ପାଇଛି 10 lakhs
ବେଡ୍ ରିଟର୍ନ ତାର ଯାହା ଆସିବ
ବେଡ୍ ରିଟର୍ନ
ଏକ୍ସପେଣ୍ଡିଚର ଯେ ବିୟର କରିବେ ଗାଡ଼ିରେ ଆସିବ।
କୋଉଠି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ତ ଓଡିଆରେ
କୋଉଠି କୋଉଠି
ସାଲେପୁର
ସାଲେପୁର ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରୁଛି I am sending a court commissioner to find out whether he has received or not. ହେଲା କୋର୍ଟ କମିଶନର ପଇସା କିଏ ଦେବ? ସେ ବେଡ୍ ରିଟର୍ନ ସେ ପାଇବନି ସେ
ମୁଁ ନଜର ଉପରେ ଜାଣିଛି
ଦେଖିବା କାହା ଗୋଟେ ଭଲଣ୍ଟିୟର କୋର୍ଟ କମିଶନର
ଯୋଉଟା ଉଠଉଛନ୍ତି କ୍ଲାରିଫାଇ ହେଇଯିବ।
ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲଣ୍ଟିୟର କାହା ଗୋଟେ କରିଦେବା ଓକେ ଭଲଣ୍ଟିୟର କାହା ଗୋଟେ କରିଦେବା ତମେ ଯାଅ ଯିବ ସାଲେପୁର just find out whether he has received or not to find out he has a doubt that's right. Yes. So when you will be going weekend right?
Yes sir, Saturday.
Okay. So 12 में लगेगी?
Saturday.
Leonard, sorry, Mr. Partha Jyoti. What do you read? Right?
Sarathi Jyoti Mahanti.
Sorry, Sarathi Jyoti Mahanti, who is present in the court, is appointed as court commissioner to find out. He is volunteered to become court commissioner. Also, volunteered to become court commissioner to find out as to whether the petitioner has received the compensation paid by the opposite party after the upon the direction of the PLA. The said report shall be submitted on the next date of listing, that is on 13.
Yes, sir.
13.
Diploma.
ପାଖଟା ଯାଇକି ବୁଲିକି ପଳେଇ ଆସିବ ଟିକେ just a
so actually ପାଇଛି
pro bono job pro bono and we ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଡର ଲେଖିବି we appreciate your service ଟିକେ ଦେଇଦେବି learned concept of the petitioner to provide the details of the address of the petitioner so that he can reach this the place and find out the certain information.
Okay. So far as the sub-item number 2 is concerned, connected matter, that memo has been filed for withdrawal.
Connected matter
the doctor
को मैं अच्छा ये he wants
जे पैसा दे देइछथि से फाइल करथिले तापर विथड्रॉ करिया पे विथड्रॉ करिया पे अछि मेमोटे
ठीक है होटल मेमो चला
कॉपी ऑफ द ऑर्डर
सो 13
कॉपी ऑफ द
गोटे कॉपीटा दे दे ता एड्रेस ता दे दे हैला आ फोन नंबर जदी कार अछि तांगर
मैसेज कर
ठीक है
diploma.
नेक्स्ट
Item 88.
88
I'm for the OP number 327.
OP number 3 nobody is from the petition
Already that vehicle has been sold.
He has not complied the order of this court.
Who is for the petitioner? No, nobody there. Opinion number 4 means the
Financer.
financer. Who is the petitioner? Not petitioner. Last again. Okay, go to chance. Non-appears for the petitioner. Let the matter be listed on 12. After they get.
My appearance may be
Yeah.
noted.
Opinion number 3, 4.
3 to 7.
3 to 7. Okay.
Item 89.
Next, 89.
The present petitioner is the account holder with the opposite part number 3, branch manager HDFC Bank, has taken 3 loans, 1 two-wheeler loans, 1 car loan, and 1 gold loan. The mortgage in the gold. So far, gold loan is concerned, already clear, and two-wheeler has been clear, but car loan has been clear. But so far, NOC part is concerned, so far 2 loans is concerned, and car and two-wheeler. The opposite party has not granted NOC to the present petitioner on the grounds the present petitioner has taken a credit card facility from the HDFC Bank, and there is something is alleged to be outstanding. Therefore, the opposite party number 3 not been issued to the NOC in favor of the opposite petitioner.
Saurabh, you are appearing?
Yes, your lordship. My lord,
Sir,
my lord, may see the prayer, my lord. My lord, may kindly for a moment see the prayer. Page 8, my lord.
Yes. It the blocking कौन लिखा है जी भाई?
My lord, that will see a loan.
Your prayer is saying blocking.
Yes, Lord. At that point of time, at the 2017, at the filing of the writ application, the account was initially blocked. Thereafter, I approached the honorable court by
What do you want? Your
Yes,
prayer is for unblocking or for what?
Now,
My lord, his prayers have become infructuous on as on date.
So your prayer is infructuous then, he's right.
but so far my
But your prayer is, you
yes,
have not
at that
taken
point
the.
of time, I also filed an this case for amendment. Lords. I have that IA is also pending.
For amendment?
Yes,
Amendment कौन?
in it to that, though I have cleared the total outstanding dues so far, my 2 vehicles is
Which miss case? Which one? 308? No,
Yes.
306?
308.
Yeah, पढ़ के आते हैं यहाँ पे आके ऐसे
208, your lordship.
My lord, I have not been solved with any copy of them.
Yes,
ये तो cost title के कौन है जी? Cost title कौन है जी उसुदा?
Modification correction of the order of that order was passed in the first order in murder. That order was passed in respect of the lordship date, your lordship. There 7/6/2017.
What do you want?
My limited grievance is now the NOC has not been given.
There is no prayer in your grievance,
At that
sir.
point-
You
at that-
orally କହିଦେଲେ ଯାହା ହେଇଛି କହିଦେଲେ prayer ରେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ?
At that point of time, initially
prayer ରେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଗାଈ ଆଉ ଇଏ କହିଲା ବେଳକୁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ହାତୀ।
at the time of filing of writ application, initially my blocked my account, and
But
during
now whatever your prayer is, there is not reflected here in
Yes,
the prayer,
sir.
sir.
I will come
You have
within
to
that.
amend the prayer. Land Council petitioner is directed
My
to
lord, may I
amend the
just make
prayer.
this one prayer? My lord, let him approach the bank for issuance of NOC so far.
जाओ सीधा बैंक, he is right.
Again.
That's better. ये prayer for
yes,
सीधा
sir.
बैंक को जा। आओ ये
Yes,
out
yes.
of box, out of box, out of box. देखो, the petitioner is directed to approach the bank, seeking ventilation of his grievance within 1 week from today, and the bank shall dispose of his grievance petition if given within the said period, within 3 weeks thereafter. Allah.
kindly
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 करो।
specific है जो only 2 respect of NOC alerts.
ଯାହା ଯୋଉଥିପାଇଁ ବି ଯିବ ଭଲ ସେମାନେ ତ ସବୁ କରିବେ ଆଉ।
ନା ସେଠି kindly
ହଁ, ଠିକ ଅଛି, ଦେଖିଲେ,
kindly
NOC ଲାଗିବ।
NOC in respect of 2-wheeler and 4-wheeler alerts. Obliged alerts.
Dispose of.
Gratefully, lord.
Item 90.
ସବୁ counter agenda ये change amendment कौन मिଳିବ ସିଧା ଜାଗା ଦେଇଦେବେ ସେ ଯା ନଦେଲେ ଆସିବ ଏଠି। Next.
Item 90.
90.
I am appearing for LIC opposite party.
Who is for the petitioner? None.
Lordship, I am for the petitioner. I am on behalf of Mr. G. Rohit Singh.
ଆଜ୍ଞା କେତେବେଳେ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି କେତେବେଳେ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇଚ୍ଛା ହେଲା ଆଇଲେ ଆପଣ ତ ମଞ୍ଚଲେ है 1 नंबर के
नहीं
जब मन किया आ गए जब मन किया नहीं आए रास्ता जो क्रॉस करते नहीं मन इच्छा हली हली आसी गाड़ी पे मार दी ଆପଣ से
has filed वकालतनामा.
ये वकालतनामा फाइल है आई एम least bothered matter nobody is appearing in this matter properly matter is old matter 2020 ହେଇଗଲାଣି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
2020 old ନୁହେଁ 4 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି ଆଉ କଣ
ବାପାଙ୍କ matter ଟା ସେ ଜାଣିପାରିବେ।
ବାପାଙ୍କ matter କି ପୁଅର matter I am least bothered. କେବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ date ଦଉଛି last date. Last date is granted to the petitioner on 4th March to argue the matter. For final hearing ହେଲା ଆଉ time ଲାଗେନି. No time. No further time.
There
shall be
was a-
granted.
there was a-
No further time shall be granted to you. This is
Yes.
final. ଆଉ
Yes.
time ମାଗିବେ 50,000 cost ଲଗେଇବେ. ବାସ୍ ଆଉ ବାପା matter ପୁଅ matter କରିକି ସବୁ କରିବେ।
Lordship, kindly have a glance to the notice.
ଆଉ glance କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମୋର ଆଖି ନାହିଁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ glance ଗୋଟେ ୱାର୍ଡ ଶିଖିଛନ୍ତି glance ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଯେମିତି ଆଉ ଭଲ ଭଲ ୱାର୍ଡ ୟୁଜ କରୁନ synonym ଦେଖ glance ର synonym କଣ ଅଛି ମୋର ମୋବାଇଲ 91
May please, your lordship. Your lordship, the petitioner approach before the bank authority, the opposite party bank authority has not granted the NOC towards the loan settlement. Your
you have
lordship
paid the whole amount
Yes, your lordship.
have you paid
Yes.
when did you pay
Your lordship kindly turn to page 7 on
when did you pay well come turn to page 7 ଆପଣ ଖାତା ଉପରେ ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖିଲେ ଟିକେ କାଇଁ ଲେଖିବେ ପେନସିଲ ନେବା ବେଲା ମୋଠୁ ପେନସିଲ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ
2012-2021
ଫାଇଲ ଟେ ପଢିବା ଆସିଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମିନିମମ ବେସିକ ଇନଫରମେସନ ପେନସିଲ ଲେଖି ଦିଆ
underline.
ଅଣ୍ଡରଲାଇନ ନା ଅଣ୍ଡରଲାଇନ କଲେ ବି ଉପରେ ଲେଖାଯାଏ that is the right way of learning ଏଠି ଆସିକି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରିବେ ଏକ୍ସାମ ବି ଏଠି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ବି ଏଠି କପି ବି ଏଠି ଆଉ ଇଭାଲୁଏସନ ବି ଏଠି ଏମିତି କେମିତି ହବ ଘରୁ ତ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ତ କମ ସେ କମ କରିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ କେବେ ନେଇଥିଲେ
2012-2021
2012-2021 ତାପରେ
the petitioner received the letter also. The full and final settlement has been already
page
7. Page 7. Annexed 2.
କୋଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଏଟା
This is the
IndusInd Bank.
Indulgent Bank.
Notice of
Notice sufficient ହେଇଥିଲା।
କିଏ ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଲର ଆସି ପାଣି ଫୋନ କରି କହୁନ ତା ଫୋନ ନମ୍ବର ଦେଇଦିଅ ସେ ଫୋନ କରି ଡାକି
I may pray your lordship kindly direction to the bank, your lordship, because of the
copies of
ଆରେ ଏମିତିଆ ଥରେ ଡାକିଦେଲେ କାମ ଜଲ୍ଦି ସରିଯିବ
ସେଇଟା last 2-3 occasions
ହି always there ମୋ କୋଟେ ସବୁବେଳେ ହି appears ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ଫୋନ ନମ୍ବର ଦିଅ ଡାକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
sufficient notice has been already sufficient also damn
ଆରେ it will be over ଏଇରେ କିଛି ଲାଭ ହବନି I'll say okay give representation will be କଣ dispose of within this ପକେଇଦେବି ଗଲା quickly କାମ ହେଇଯିବ give a copy not consider the petitioner to serve a copy on Mr. R.C. Panigrahi who usually appears for the opposite party bank କପି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନମ୍ବର ନେଇଯିବି ୟାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଯୋଉମାନେ କମ ଦେଖା ଯାଆନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ନମ୍ବର ରଖିଥାଏ ଏଠୁ ଫୋନ କରାଯାଏ ଭିଜିବିଲିଟି ଟିକେ କମ ଥାଏ ଯାହାର SBI ବାଲାଙ୍କର ଭିଜିବିଲିଟି ଅଧିକ ତାର ବେଶୀ ଏଇ ଇଣ୍ଡସ୍ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ କାଉନସିଲ ଥିବେ କେବେ କେବେ ଆସନ୍ତି ଓକେ list the matter on 22nd
deep look
next
92
Please, my lords, in this case, I am for the petitioner, my lord. The petitioner is moved before this honorable court, my lord. Petitioner is the widow. Her husband, he has made an LIC and after the death, they have not given the amount to the petitioner. Therefore, he has made an application
କାହାକୁ ଦେବି ତାହେଲେ
before the LIC.
ଆପଣ apply କଲେ
apply କରିଥିଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ନୋମିନି ହଉଛି ବ୍ରଦର
ହଉ ଯିଏ ହେଇଥିବ କଣ
ଦେଲେନି
that is not an issue
ଜଷ୍ଟ ଏଥିରେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଲେଖିଲେ ଯେ ଇଏ ତାର ୱାଇଫ କି ନୁହଁ ସେଟା ଆମେ ଜାଣିନୁ ଏଟା ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ
ତାଙ୍କ ଇଏ କାଗଜରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇନି
ସିଭିଲ କୋର୍ଟରେ ସେ ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଏଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିବୁ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷ କହିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛୁ
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ରହୁ ଏତେ କାଇଁ ଅପଡେସନ ହଉଛି ହଁ କଣ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ
Firstly, this is only clear. The life assured also died within 3 years of the community policy. 1 year, 7 months. So we have lost the death claim to investigating the cause of early death. And secondly, she has filed a CS 498 of 2023 against that elder brother Robin and the corporation. It is at the stage of WS. So he has filed 2 parallel proceedings.
Where?
Your
Where?
Lordship, suppressing that.
Where?
He has filed in the court of the sub-judge Deccan,
Hmm.
CS number 4.
Filed for what? For partition? Partition?
No, for claim.
Claiming that she is the legal married wife, my lord. That is.
He has.
Is there any doubt for legal marriage?
ସିଏ ପା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ legal married wife ନୁହଁ।
ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା?
ତାଙ୍କର counter ରେ ସେ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି।
ନାଇଁ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା? Who is the wife? What was written in the document, sir? Who was the wife at the time of the when you
Legal hair
we
certificate.
got the
I have also
policy?
produced the legal hair certificate and the other documents also.
Sir, ଗୋଟେ minute ଟିକେ ଅଟକନ୍ତୁ ନା ଟିକେ ପେସେନ୍ସ ରଖନ୍ତୁ କାଇଁ ଏତେ impatient ହଉଛନ୍ତି? Don't jump to the conclusion so easily. I am asking one question. Who was the wife at the time of taking the policy? Policy ନେଲା ବେଳକୁ ତାଙ୍କ wife ର ନାଁ ନଥିଲା କି? ସେ ବାହା ହେଇନଥିଲା? ବାହା ହେଇଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କ wife ର ନାଁ ନଥିଲା? ନାଇଁ wife ର ନାଁ ନଥିଲା କିଛି? ନାଇଁ wife spouse ର ନାଁ clause ନଥାଏ କି? अरे सर ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପଲିସି ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ପଚାରୁଛି ପଲିସି ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଦେଖିଲେ କୋଉଠି ପଲିସି ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ଦେଖି where is the policy document
Annexure
B.
B
B to make contract.
Okay.
No mention about the name of the.
page 11, page 10.
I am there also.
Little bit illegible.
No, that is I can read it. I can read it. I can read it. Shashikant Sahu.
And page 13. Surendra Kumar Sahu.
अरे भाई लेडी रा नाम ना कोडी सेटा पचंदी
Lady ना नहीं.
Is there any doubt about the marriage? Is there any doubt about the why the LIC is doubting the marriage, sir?
Firstly,
just hold on.
Firstly, under
Why LIC is doubting the marriage?
No doubt, we will answer in the civil court because she has filed another switch with the trial court.
So what happened in the trial court, sir?
For deciding.
What happened in the proceedings?
My lord, after the read
notice by we are now preparing our defense.
Okay. ठीक है बस ठीक है बस तो बाउंड what is
after the writ petition, they have filed the counter affidavit. Thereafter, the suit has been filed, and now the notice has been issued, and they have to file their WS, my lord, there. And the matter is posted to 28th of this month.
That is pending.
That is still pending.
কি ফাইল করছিল সেটা
ফাইল ওয়াইফ করছি এই কাউন্টার পরে সে ফাইল করছি
না না লিগালি ম্যারিড ওয়াইফ বলি প্রুফ করিয়া পই কি ওয়াইফ ফাইল করছি
মানে
আপন কইছি না দি শুড হ্যাজ বিন ফাইল ফর প্রুভিং দ লিগাল
ওয়াইফ নিজে আপরসনাল ওয়াইফ নিজে
এই তো পচারছি স্যার মু মূলরে কোন পচারছি আই এম পার্টিশন শুড পার্সনমেন্ট অফ দ মনি সেই শুড তো আর তো আপন লিগালি ম্যারিড ওয়াইফ প্রুভিং কোন কই চালছে
আপন অর্ডর করতে আমি বাউডাউন করব
না না অর্ডর মু করিবি
নাই কেমনি করবে স্যার বিল শুটটা করলে আপন আসিলে আপন মাগিলে বড় কথা হাইয়ার কোর্ট কনস্টিটিউশনাল কোর্ট তারপর সেটাই গেল তা মানে
আগে যা পূর্ব ডেট রে কইলে যে সে তার লিগালি ম্যারিড
এটা কেবে ফাইল দিলা এটা কেবে ফাইল হলা
এটাই 23 রে করতেছি
আউ সে সিভিল সুট
সেটা কাউন্টার পরে সারে হইছি আফটার ফাইলিং অফ দ্য কাউন্টার অফ দিস রিট পিটিশন
এই 23 রে কাই
আজ্ঞা তারপরে হইছি না না তা পরপারে দেখুন আমি Based to submit that the petitioner claims to the only successor.
Sir, ଅଟକନ୍ତୁ ନା ଟିକେ ଆପଣ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ କହିବେ ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଶୁଣିବି ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ୱାନ୍ ଭଗବାନ ଦିଟା କାନ ଦେଇଛି ମୁଁ ଏତେ ଦି ଆଡୁ କଲା କେମିତି ଗୋଟେ କାନ ଶୁଣିବି ନା ଜଷ୍ଟ ମୋ କଥାଟା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଥିଙ୍ଗସ୍ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ବି ଇଜି ଆପଣ ମାନେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ବେଶୀ କରନ୍ତି 2 ମିନିଟ ଯୋଉ କାମ ସରିବା କଥା ତାକୁ ଏଟା କରି ଲମ୍ବେଇବେ ଖାଲି ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆପଣ ଲିଗାଲି ମ୍ୟାରିଡ୍ ୱାଇଫ ର ପ୍ରୁଫ କଣ ଅଛି ମ୍ୟାରେଜ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଅଛି କି
ମ୍ୟାରେଜ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ନାହିଁ ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଦେଇଛୁ
ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଅଛି
ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଦେଇଛୁ ତାପରେ
ସତରେ ନା ମ୍ୟାଟ୍ରିକ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଭଳିଆ ସେ ଏମିତି ଅଣା ହେଇଛି
ନା ନା ଆନେକ୍ସର 3 ସର
ଡୁପ୍ଲିକେଟ ମ୍ୟାଟ୍ରିକ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଅଛି ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର କଣ ବଡ କଥା
ପେଜ 13
ପେଜ 13
page 13 of the writ petition.
Minati Sahu. This is to certify that the person, so the Tahsildar must have done the due diligence before issuing this. It issue kariya hai Tahsildar the due diligence.
Revenue officer.
Sorry, revenue officer. तो ड्यू डिलिजेंस तो करथिबो निश्चय आ एटा फिर एटा को डिसबिलीव काई करा हबो
तापर भी मु भी आउ गोटे भी डॉक्यूमेंट देछि मोर रीजन
आपण दे केते पैसा अछि
आज्ञा
केते पैसा अछि
10 लाख ऊपर अछि
दे दियंतु sir what yet to be decided after the just after the Tahsildar has made the inquiry and issued the legal heir certificate. Why there is a confusion? I don't understand.
Is in operation now because they're only claims. We're investigating.
What is early claim? I mean, this maturity kebe hochi yaro?
Seita bhakti 7 মাসের মধ্যে section 40 requires gives a right, confers a right on the insurer to cause an investigation into the cause of death, whether it's suppression of material fact.
केते वर्ष आपण कॉज करिबे मटेरियल फैक्ट
आगु 2 वर्ष
तो आपण कले की
कोन सुपर चाली एबे डेथ चिम लॉ
2 वर्ष तो करछु ना केते दिन भीतर कर आपण ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन सारिबे
3 वर्ष भीतर
आगे भीतर बोली आपण 3 वर्ष का कोटबे ना कोन केबे केते दिन लगेबे मास से भीतर सारंतु विदिन 1 मंथ finish your within 1 month करिबे आ एटा कोनटा within 1 month देखो the investigation to be done as per land council with the LIC land council states that the LIC is conducting an investigation regarding the cause of the death of the petitioner since it is an early claim full stop. The said investigation is directed to be completed within period of 3 months from today. List 3 months from today. List the matter on mayor laguch hela mayor matter sir may master laguch sir मु किछि जीवा ने आपण इन्वेस्टिगेट करंतु फर्स्ट
नहीं मु कर
हां बस करो तापर हम शूट करदा से शूट विसर जेतिबो
ताले छुट्टी पर
जून पर
3 मास तो मे भीतर हे जो
मे रे हे जाउछि जून को जीवे 15 जून 15 मई जान 15 मई नेक्स्ट
आगे
नेक्स्ट
Item 93.
93 lordship on pass over.
पास ओवर
After lunch.
नहीं नहीं आइलो यानी पास ओवर भी
After lunch.
पास ओवर ओके
Publish.
94.
94
I am for the opposite but
who is for the petitioner on issue
matter relating to vehicle my lord but we have not seized the vehicle
oh non appears for the petitioner list the matter on agar bhi hai hindi
Notice ethile notice.
okay non appears for the petitioner list the matter on 21st next
95.
95
Therefore, the petition minutes, notices are issued on the last occasion minutes. The noting is minutes, the AD is not back from the opposite
okay
parties.
the service has not been completed in the interest of justice let the matter be posted on 6th March
Interim order to continue.
interim order to continue next
Grateful.
Item 96.
96
Today I have filed affidavit and relevant documents.
Huh?
Today I have filed affidavit and a relevant document
Affidavit
regarding
to
the
what?
sterilization of the petitioner.
Huh?
Fact of the case, my lord, after sterilization, the
What?
petitioner
What?
has born a male child.
after sterilization
Sterilization, the male child has
sir
born
it's not called sterilization it's called tubectomy
Sterilization.
tubectomy surgery
surgery, my lord. Family planning. After sterilization, one male child has born.
तो बढ़िया ना कौन असुविधा होला आउ मेल चलते बढ़ला आबा घर आउडे आउडे हाथ आसिला
No,
आउडे
my lord, no, my
कमेबा लोक जन्म हैला असुविधा कोन हैला एते पे केते गवर्नमेंट पैसा नउछि
On that regard, I filed the affidavit and a relevant document before this honorable today.
रिलेवेंट डॉक्यूमेंट देबे
नहीं देई आज फाइल करछि
केबे
आज
आज फाइल करा केन दियो आज
कॉपी दे
कॉपी दियंतु खाली फाइल कर देबे कॉपी देबे नी कॉपी दियो ओके लिस्ट द मैटर ऑन 4th मार्च आसु हला कंपेंसेशन मागुछंदी केते टका
आज लॉर्डशिप
केते टका
योर लॉर्डशिप
मु कंपेंसेशन अथॉरिटी देवार अथॉरिटी मु भाबी देबी केते मागिछंदी कहबिनी
no specific I have not mentioned.
फिर अब जानबेनी केते दिया जाय एमडी ट्यूबेक्टोमी ऑपरेशन फेल हेबा ताला कंपटीशन केते दिया हेबा आपण जानादी
No, my lord, I have no knowledge.
जीवन ना गाइडलाइन अछि सर इज देयर एनी गाइडलाइन
I will find it out, but What my learned friend is filing only the register, copy of the register, my lord.
No, I have told him to file actually whether he has really gone, really had the operation or not.
Only on the discharge certificate, your lordship will can, if your lordship wants.
Discharge certificate thila?
Today I filed, my lord.
Discharge certificate ଅଛି?
No, my lord, that document is
କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ଖାଲି
register certificate and
register ରେ କଣ ଜଣା
register.
କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଖାଇରେ ଲେଖିଦେଇକି ଫଟୋକପି ଆଣିଲେ ବି ହବ ଏଟା କଣ ବଡ କଥା? ଆଜିକାଲି ସବୁ ହେଇପାରୁଛି। ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ମ୍ୟାଟ୍ରିକ ଟା ବନି ପାରୁଛି ଏଟା କଣ ବଡ କଥା?
ନାଇଁ ଆରଟି ରେ ମାଗିଥିଲେ
ଆରଟି ସେଟା ସବୁ ବଡ ଫ୍ରଡ। ଆରଟି ରେ ମାଗିବାଟା ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ ଫ୍ରଡ। ଲୋକ ଆରଟି ମାଗୁଛି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ନିଜେ ବନେଇ ଦେଇକି ଆଣି ଦେଉଛି ଆରଟି ପାଇଲି ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି। ଆରଟି ଇଜ ଦ ବିଗେଷ୍ଟ ଫ୍ରଡ, ଆରଟି ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ। ହଁ।
along with birth certificate also
ଏ ତ
filed.
ଭଲ ପାଇଁ ତ କରାଯାଇଛି, ମିସୟୁଜ ବହୁତ ହଉଛି। ଆରଟି ଦେଇନଥିବ, ଆରଟି ଯାଇନଥିବେ, ସବୁ କଥା ଆରଟି ଦେବ କି?
My lord ପାଖେ ଏତେ fraud କରିବ।
ଫ୍ରଡ ମୁଁ ଫ୍ରଡ ଧରିଲିନି, ଦି ତିନିଟା ଧରିଲିନି ତ କହୁଛି, ଏତେ ଡେଫିନେଟଲି କାହିଁ କଣ କହୁଛି? I have detected 2-3 fraud on RTA, and Mr. Misra is the he has helped me in that detecting that fraud. You know that. Yeah. Next, another file करो। आज file कर दो। 4th March. Next.
97.
My state is filed seeking compensation for illegal detention and custodial torture meted out to the petitioner, my lord, who is a lady.
Court illegal detention kala.
Nalco PS, my lord. By the
केमती हला?
My lord, the petitioner was a director in a company. That company had taken some deposits from the public and not returned it. So in the year 2014, FIR was filed against one Dinabandhu Mishra and the MD of the company was Bijay Manjari Satpathy. I am one of the sleeping directors.
Sleeping director?
So
they are not visible at all?
My lord. So
but your name is there?
Name is there. No, in the FIR my name is not there. Neither in the charge sheet my name is there. Charge sheet was filed in 2000.
Is the right word, sleeping director is the right word. Sleeping partner, it is said. The director is it the right word? What is the right word for that?
It's just we say a rubber stamp director.
बिल्कुल नहीं, पूरा भलो कंपनी लो पढ़ी ना तारे ठीक करी, कंपनी लो ठीक करी पढ़ी ना, पढ़ी आकर कौन राइट टर्म कहो तारे सुनी, अगर राइट टर्म टा कहो, सिखो राइट टर्म कोई वाला, कुछ भी वाला बोल देते स्लीपिंग डायरेक्टर, व्हाट इज दिस? कंपनी लॉ रे सबुतरु बड़ा चैप्टर होची डायरेक्टर, जे डायरेक्टर जानि गला कंपनी लॉ सब जानि गला, तार तो कंपनी लॉ तुम मोटे पढ़ी ना हो।
I'll look into that. I'll study that and appraise the lordship.
Yeah, please study that. What is it called? How many directors? I'll ask you first question, then we'll go to the topic. How many directors are there? And who is what? Who can become the what director? You will say everything.
Indeed, your lordship.
So yeah, what do you say?
Sub-item, it has been wrongly tagged, my lord.
Wrongly tagged?
This relates to.
So let it come on 8th. 8th.
Sub-item. This matter relates to service matter, fixation of pay.
Which matter?
Sub-item matter. WPC.
The connected matter.
Connected matter.
Fixation of pay amra chi.
Nine.
Bias. Go to some different bench.
So that's why I am.
Connected item. Petition was civil 32288. The number they do. Be placed for the action to the assistant. Assign the paper bench. Hala. 98.
98.
98.
Your lordship, in 97, your lordship has fixed any date.
97?
8.
98, my I am for the petition.
Take up after
lunch. After lunch, I have some difficult next week, man.
After lunch? You're not there?
Not there. Some other matters are there.
Okay.
Next week, any day next week.
15 days. 15. Next.
99.
I am for the opposite party number 4 and 5. I have filed the counter affidavit.
You are for the petitioner?
My lord, I am.
Your lordship, I am appearing for the universal sample opposite part number 6, my lord.
What is the matter about?
Matter, my lord, I have deposited the premium under the scheme Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. And due to the accident, I have lost the right arm. But OP number 6 has stated I have already died. So I have not claimed within the time limit. So I am not eligible to get the.
You have.
I have a glance to the page 45.
रुहନ୍ତୁ मैं glance पछे आपण केते दिन भितर आइबा कथा केते दिन भितर आपण क्लेम करिया कथा
30 days
आपण केबे कले
more than 30 days
केते more than 30 days 10 वर्ष भी more than 30 days
no my lord 45 days within 45 days
So your insurance company said no.
Your Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks time to file my counter.
Let her file the counter.
Repeatedly taken the time. How he derived that I died when I leave? How he derived that? I have died already and taken again and again time.
Your Lordship, we have taken
And
only
last
one
year,
judgment.
last occasion, Lordship with senior also said that we will pay the amount within
ଆପଣ କାହା
time.
ପାଇଁ?
And I have for the
Bank.
bank. We have deducted the amount and remitted the same to the insurance company.
Insurance
In
company ଆପଣ why are you not giving them?
Your Lordship, allow me time to file counter and I'm gone through the.
Only asking time in all matters. अभी तो argue कर लिया करो.
Again.
Okay, 2 weeks time. 7th March.
Obliged.
Last chance.
Deep look.
No further time.
Oblige, Your
Allah.
Lordship.
No further time shall be granted to any of the parties,
Seven.
including insurance company.
Obliged.
Allah.
Deep look.
Next.
Item 100.
May I please your lordship, my lord, I am VCR Puri, my lord. In this case, process
ଆପଣ ପୁରା ମାଡି ବସିଥାନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି ବୁଝିଲେ ଆପଣ ଏଟା କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ଏଟା ପୁରୀ ବଢିଆ ଆଉ ପୁରୀ ବାଲା ତ କେହି ଦେଖା ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ଦେଖା ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ସେଠି ଆଉ
trial sir ରହୁଛି ତ ରହିଯାଉଛି କଣ କରିବି ହଉଛି ଟିକେ ରହିଯାଉଛି trial
ବଢିଆ ଆଉ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ନା ଜାଲ ପକେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
trial ଗୁଡା ରହୁଛି ତ
ହଉ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Sir, in this case, process already been completed. And so far the rejoinder is concerned, I have filed the rejoinder copy and served it to the Law and Council for the LIC. The matter is like this, my lord.
ରିଜେଣ୍ଡମେଣ୍ଟ କପି ପାଇଛୁ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଆପଣ ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର କପି ପାଇଛନ୍ତି so it's final should we hear
Your lordship's right to enforce natural justice.
Hmm?
Data policy. Natural justice. Center policy ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି ପୁରୀ urban bank କୁ ହେଇଥିଲା assign ହେଇଥିଲା policy claim have set. Arota was the Naxos condition at the time. Once you got it at the last time. This was the national no, nothing is appearing, nothing happening. So ତାଙ୍କର ପାଇ
he's saying he will not get anything
I may be part of the file is written out or good citation.
okay written note citation file करिए କରନ୍ତୁ day after tomorrow लेकिन ଅଧିକ ସମୟ ମିଳିବନି
7 days kind.
7 days time ଏମିତି ଗଡେଇବେ କେତେ ହବ ସୁଯୋଗ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଗଡଉଛନ୍ତି କହିଲେ
No sir, citation ଦେବି
citation କଣ ଦରକାର ମାନେ ସାଧାରଣ factual issue citation is not required at all it's not a big legal issues that require citation of so many things
in my favor it will consider by lordship.
ଆପଣ ଏବେ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ decide କରିବି
My lord,
can you argue now
my lord, my respect submission. So far as the case is concerned, challenge the annexer 4. Please make a glance.
ଖାଇ ପିଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆରାମ ସେ ଖାଇକିରି ଆଇଲେ କରିବା ଆପଣ ଭଲ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିପାରିବେ ଖାଇକିରି ଆସନ୍ତୁ
written note ଦେଇଦିଅ ହାର୍ଡ କରିଦେବୁ written note ଦେଇଦିଅ citation ଦେଇଦିଅ
ଆଉ ତାହେଲେ ଠିକ ଅଛି 12 ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି ତାହେଲେ 12 ରେ ଆପଣ ରିଟର୍ନ ନୋଟ ଦେବେ ତାହେଲେ ଆଉ ଆଇଟମ କଣ ହେଇଛି 77
dismiss ହେଇଯାଇଛି
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସେ କେସରେ କଣ
item 101 copy ଦେବି
Your lordship, on last occasion, your lordship has ordered my learned senior to serve me copy, but right.
କପି ଦିଆନି ଏବେ ମତେ କାଇଁ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି March 7th.
I beg your pardon, your lordship, item number 101. My learned senior friend is also here. Last occasion, your lordship has ordered him to serve me the entire copy. Amended writ petition, ପୁରା ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ କପି ଦବା ପାଇଁ order ହେଇଥିଲା your lordship.
ମୋର କପି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେବି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଯୋଉ କପିଟା
କପି ଦିଆନିଆ ପାଇଁ ମତେ କାଇଁ ମେନସନ କରି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍ ଦୟାକରି ଏଇ ଜିନିଷ ମେନସନ କରନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ ମୋ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଲାଇକ ଦିସ୍ କି କପି ଦେଲା ନ ଦେଲା ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ମୁଁ
କେତେ ଟାଇମ
କେବେ ଦରକାର
କାଉଣ୍ଟର କେବେ ଦବ
ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କେବେ କରିବେ
Your Lordship, as soon as I get the copy.
ଓକେ
after
ୟୁ
that-
ଦିଆନିଆ କରନ୍ତୁ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଡେଟ୍ ଦଉଛି ବାସ୍
Okay.
ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ 5th
Obliged, Your Lordship.
କପି ପାଇଁ ଏଠି ଡିସ୍କସ କରିବେନି ହେଲା କପି ତ ଦେବି ନେବି ଆପଣ ଆସିକି ଏଠି ମୁଁ ଦେଲା ସିଏ ନେଲା ସିଏ ଗଲା ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି
Passed over matter, item number 5.
May I please proceed? My lord, that matter relates to grant of financial assistance to, relating to COVID-19 death of the husband of the petitioner. Under the earlier occasion, the petitioner has approached this honorable court by WPC number 6907 of 23, and this honorable court disposed of the case with the direction to
ଏଇଟା ଆଲିୟର ଅକେଜନ କଥା ଏଇ ଅକେଜନ କଥା କହନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା କଣ ସେ ଅକେଜନ କିଛି ହେଇଥିଲା ଅକେଜନ ଡିରେକ୍ସନ ହେଲା କେତେ ଦିନ ଭିତରେ କରିଦିଅ ଏଟା ଡିରେକ୍ସନ
ସେ ତାକୁ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଏଟା ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ କଣ ହେଲା ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କରିଦେଲେ
ରିଜେକ୍ଟ
କଣ
କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ପାଇଁ
କହିଲେ କି ଏଟା କହିଥିଲେ ଯେ ଏଟା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଅନୁସାରେ ଆସୁନି ହି ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ଏ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟି ବଟ୍ ହି ଇଜ ଆଜ ପର ଆନେକ୍ସର 1 ହି ଇଜ ଏ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ
ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟି ମାନେ
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଓଡ଼ିଶା prepared a resolution during that pandemic. The person who is a government employee, if he died during that pandemic time, he has to get some compensation.
what is the quantum
Quantum was some 50 lakhs, sir, like that amount.
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ସ୍କିମ ଟା ନ ପଢିକି କାହିଁ ଏମିତି ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସ୍କିମ ଟା ଭଲ କି ଆପଣ ପଢିଛନ୍ତି
That is
ଯାହା ହେଲା ଭଲ କି ପଢିକି ତ ଆସନ୍ତୁ କମ ସେ କମ
copy is not
କଣ କୋଭିଡ ୱାରିୟର ଯୋଉମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ 50 ଲାଖ କହିଛି ନଟ୍ ଏନି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟି ଯିଏ ଆସିଲା ତାକୁ ଦେଇଦେବ 50 ଲାଖ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଖରେ କଣ ପଇସା ଏମିତି ବଟା ହଉଛି
ତାର ଯୋଉ ସେ ରିଜର୍ଭେସନ କପିଟା ଟିକେ ପଢିବନି ଲେଜିବଲ ନୁହେଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆଇଟମ
ଆପଣ ସେ ସ୍କିମ ଜଣା ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ସେ ସ୍କିମରେ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି କି ନାହିଁ ଜଣା ନାହିଁ ପଳେଇ ଆଇଲେ କେସ୍ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିବା ପାଇଁ there is a scheme called COVID warrior scheme.
COVID warrior.
If you are a COVID warrior, means like policemen, doctors, paramedical staffs who are directly
Nurses are like
coming
that.
in contact with the COVID patient, they are declared as COVID warriors. If they are COVID warriors, if they die during that period, then they will be given 50 lakh. That was the declaration.
And
government employee, कौन सी government employee पाइबे? सब जे गवर्नमेंट पाइबो
resolution copy is not legible.
Legible for time.
Next week, 1 week time may be provided, and we'll file that legible copy also.
This the matter on 21st.
Only.
Scheme तो पढ़ंतु बिना पढ़ी के पढ़े आछन गवर्नमेंट any government employee dies they do not get that. आपण कोविड वॉरियर हबेन त को माने कोविड वॉरियर गवर्नमेंट क्लियर करछि आपण सेही भितर आसुथिले पाइबे एनीबॉडी कांट गेट इट हां नेक्स्ट
Item 21.
May I please watch? My lord, agreed by the order dated 18/11/2021 that the 457 petition has been released regarding the release of vehicle, my lord. And
so what are the offense committed?
My lord, NDPS, my lord, 10 kgs ganja has been
only 10 kg.
My lord, the person is on bail, chat sheet submitted, everything is
So you're simply order granted.
Okay.
कौन गाड़ी का कौन गाड़ी कौन
motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Okay.
Granted. को motorcycle?
Pulsar, my lord.
Pulsar.
Pulsar motorcycle, bearing registered number.
Pulsar 80,000 1 lakh पाखा भी पड़ता है.
Okay.
पाखा भी 1 lakh पड़ता है.
So
deposit 30,000. Deposit 30,000.
My lord.
30,000 deposit
He is
करना
not किसी करू नहीं यहाँ पर डिपेंड यार भी इंस्टॉलमेंट चलथिला गाड़ी सीज है
छाड़ दे किसी के बट किसी तो दवा पड़ियो 10,000 दो for because otherwise some security has to be
5
इसलिए बायगण भी कुछ है
I beg your pardon that
तो नालो जा डिसमिस करते स्ट्रेट अवे तो इजीली छाड़ी दो तथापि liberally I am granting and you are saying 5 10
I am only making sure
nothing 10,000 minimum 10,000 deposit करो दियो तुम लड़ कर दो फर्स्ट ले हेदला सेटल नेक्स्ट condition okay granted next
Item 84.
84, my lord. Here the challenging the order of the amusement where the opposite party LIC
In fact, my lord, there was 3 policy in the name of the father of the present petitioner. The 2 policy had been settled, and 3rd policy they did not repudiate the claim.
Total you have 4 policy.
3 policy, my lord.
Sir, if this kind of matter, why don't you give a short note of written
my lord,
note of
short
submission,
note,
short 1 pager.
My lord.
That helps.
My lord.
Helps everybody.
There was 3 policy, my lord.
Ah.
Out of 3 policies, in the 2 policies claim has been settled, and the 3rd policy claim has been repudiated.
Who are you?
I am the nominee.
You are the nominee. How are you related?
I am his daughter.
Daughter, no?
Daughter.
Okay.
And last occasion, lordship directed.
Married? Is he married?
Married, my lord.
Who are the other people?
My lord.
Who are the other people in the family? I mean, other legal heir?
Other legal heir, my lord, or no, my lord, no legal heir. I am the only daughter.
Only daughter. The mother?
Mother is there, my lord.
Mother is there. So mother is staying with you?
My lord. My lord.
What is the problem then?
Problem, my lord, they reputed a claim on the ground that the wrong date of birth has been mentioned. Same date of birth, they dispersed earlier 2 policy.
Sorry?
In same date of birth of the policy.
Please don't talk. Please, for God's sake, don't talk here. If you want to talk, go outside. I'll send some. Discuss disturbance. Yes.
They have reputed the claim on the ground that the date of birth mentioned in the policy of the policy holder was mismatched. Was wrong. The date of birth was wrong. Same date of birth, the LIC has dispersed and settled the policy. I love 2 policy. Same date of
So you are saying the same date of birth, but the LIC has disbursed the.
I love 2 policy. And third policy they have rejected. Last occasion, lordship directed.
Yes, lordship had directed us to take
First
instruction.
question, answer it. If the same date of birth you have disbursed in the earlier policies, so what happened in this policy? Suddenly
Policies
you
were
woke up.
taken previously. Now, as per LIC's terms and conditions, above the age of 60, they don't issue life insurance policy, the kind of policy that the deceased had availed.
But the policy was issued after.
No, those previous policies, even if the same separation had been done vis-a-vis the age of
I'm
birth.
asking you a question. The third policy, was it done after attaining the age of 60?
Yes, that we got proof in 2010 when the third policy was made. By that time, this petition had crossed 60. The same date of birth.
When was the third policy done?
2010, Your Lordship.
At that time, what was his age?
As per the documents that we collected, he was 67 years at that time.
67.
Yeah, he suppressed his age.
After 60, you don't issue any policy.
The kind of life insurance policy that the petition.
What kind of life
It's
insurance?
a limited life insurance policy.
What is that?
That
the kind of mean what? I don't understand that kind of.
it's category, separate categories of yeah.
What is that category?
I'll just say in that. It's called
you approach the ombudsman.
Yes, ombudsman.
What did the ombudsman say?
Ombudsman rejected, my lord.
Rejected on what ground?
My lord, lordship kind of belongs to page 45.
Next, sir.
And my lord, that is
8.
Page 45, my lord.
45.
Page 45.
What does it say?
The OP relies upon the voter list of 2010 and pleads that the DLA was aged about 67 years while taking the policy, but he suppressed such material fact and disclosed his age as 59 years, as that particular policy plan was meant for the person up to the age of 60 years. But the complainant.
But you must be giving some date of birth proof, now.
Yes, my lord.
How can you then?
My lord, they have accepted my policy.
67, then how can you
accepted your policies on the basis of declaration that you have given in the proposal form.
And
I think that lordship is law is
Just in the proposal form, don't you want any kind of
yes,
proof
in
of
this
age?
proposal form, lordship, that proposal form is attached.
Only 59 is a huge difference, no?
Nature of proof is the policy status. So the previous policy, the whatever declaration he had given therein, he had
you
relied
don't-
upon that.
You don't verify any other documents?
No,
Except
yeah,
Policy status, whatever you can declare in the policy.
There are different classes of documents that are
And you
acceptable.
finally verified that he is 67
Lordship.
at the time of.
When he made the claim, we appointed the regular practice. Lordship appointed a surveyor to conduct a survey, and therein we came after.
Right. How can you
My lord, once-
declare your age as
my lord,
59?
Duty has been
And that-
casted upon the LIC.
No.
No,
It
I'm
cast on
sorry.
you.
My lord,
That
whatever I have submitted,
settled now.
Whatever you submitted, whatever wrong right you submitted, they will.
my lord, they should not have accepted my policy, my lord. After accepting my policy, after receiving premium, now they are saying that my date of birth is wrong, my lord. When I apply for the settlement, they did not raise any objection at any point of time that you have mentioned wrong suppression.
What is the terms and condition? If any kind of suppression, misrepresentation is there, that will definitely give rise to repudiation of the claim. That is the
My lord,
terms and condition written there. Just
My lord,
check it. If any misrepresentation is there, any kind of suppression is there, your policy, they may not settle that. They will repudiate your claim. देखो लिखा है जी ना देखो कंडीशन कौन लिखा है देखो you show
I think
you show terms and condition कौन लिखा है जी देखो
That's the other part. And actually the
Sure,
medical report, my lord.
let him see them ना so terms and condition policy रे देखा है show him that terms and condition policy ସବୁ ଏ ପଲିସିରେ ତଳେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥାଏ ଏ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଫୁଲଫିଲ କରିବେ ସେଟା ନ କଲେ ୟୁର ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଏ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ ଭାଇ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଏ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଏ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଚୁଆଲ ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ
Lordship. And I think, Lordship, the law since 2020, Supreme Court has made it abundantly clear.
Supreme Court first contractual
Yes, Lordship.
contract
It is not the duty of the insurance company.
କଣ ଦେଖୁଛୁ
Lordship, it's not the duty of the insurance company to check the veracity of the submissions made in the proposal form.
But you have given some wrong submission, then you are likely to be.
Lordship. Same wrong submission, Lordship, he had also given in the previous two policies.
That's it.
But out of extreme good faith,
Then
since
you
he
should-
was still
you
under
should
the age
pat-
of 60.
You should pat on your back. I have
Lordship.
given two. Should have
My lord, before
You should be happy.
my lord, my submission
ଧରା
is
ପଡିଲା
that-
ଧରା ପଡିଲା ଗଳିଗଲା ଗଳିଗଲା
ନା ନା ଧରା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେମାନେ ଏତେ ଦିନ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ କହିଲେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ କ୍ଲେମ ଟା କରି ସାରିଲା ପରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତମେ କ୍ଲେମ ରଙ୍ଗ କାହିଁ ଦେଲ ତାହେଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ରଙ୍ଗ ମେଡିକାଲ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୋ 59 ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମେଡିକାଲ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କଣ ଅଛି ମେଡିକାଲ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ରିପୋର୍ଟ
ତାଙ୍କର
ମେଡିକାଲ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ରେ
ପେଜ
ମେଡିକାଲ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଏଜ ଆପଣ ଯାହା କହିବେ ସେଟା ଲେଖିବ ଡକ୍ଟର
ସେମାନେ ଲେଖି ତାଙ୍କ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମେଡିକାଲ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି
କି ଟେଷ୍ଟ ମେଡିକାଲ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଏଜ ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି
ନା ମେଡିକାଲ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ମେଡିକାଲ ଏକ୍ସାମିନେସନ କନଫିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ପେଜ 14 ଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାଙ୍କ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସେଟା
କଣ ଏଟା
ଏଜ 58 ମେଡିକାଲ ଏକ୍ସାମିନେସନ କନଫିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ସେଥିରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା 58 ଅଛି
Who has written this report? Who has written this age?
their office
Their office on what basis? Your submission. ଯାହା ଆପଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ basis ରେ
Lordship,
ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି।
it is a submission made by the
Are they
My lord,
insured.
wrong?
himself.
lordship I will submit that once they have accepted
Once they are accepted, they suppose it was just it got unnoticed. That doesn't mean that there is a mistake.
Now-
They found out they will.
my lord admittedly policy has been issued they have-
Admittedly, policy has been issued. Admittedly, you have given the wrong data certificate. Admittedly, they have rejected it. What else?
my lord now at this stage they are stopped to saying that I have given false date of birth, my lord
Rewriting the insurance law then.
You go anywhere, will not get any relief, sir. Only sympathy, but I don't have sympathy. Sorry, sir, I don't have sympathy.
Already
Law is law.
he has gone without
Law
any
is
relief.
hard, but it is law.
lordship put up I will cite judgment, my lord
ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ କଣ ସାଇଡ୍ କରିବ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ କୋଉ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ପୃଥିବୀରେ ନାହିଁ ଯେ ତମକୁ ସପୋର୍ଟ କଲା
My
ଭଳିଆ।
lord,
ନାହିଁ ତ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି
my lord they are stopped by their conduct, my
ବିଲକୁଲ
lord
ନାହିଁ। ଆପଣ ରଙ୍ଗ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ଆପଣ ରଙ୍ଗ ଦେବେ ବୋଲେ
my
ସେମାନେ
lord
କାହିଁକି
it is their duty to scrutinize, my lord
No.
it is their duty to
It is your
scrutinize,
duty also to give the right information.
my lord
ଆଚ୍ଛା ତମେ ଭୁଲ ଭାଲ ଜିନିଷ ଦେବ
my
ତାପରେ
lord
ତାଙ୍କ
my lord
duty।
till issuance of policy to
Sorry,
to
sorry.
trail to
Sorry, okay, you want to give me some case law? So,
My-
how
my
case law? କୋଉ case law ଆପଣ support କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି।
my lord
କୌଣସି case law
my lord
ଦେଇପାରିବିନି।
I will show that and I will give
କହୁଛି ପରା ମୁଁ ଦେଇପାରିବିନି।
lordship
ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କନସେଣ୍ଟ 100 ଉପରେ ମୁଁ case law ଏମିତିଆ କେବେ support
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
କରିବି।
ମୁଁ ତ
ସିଧା
ଖୋଜିବି ଟିକେ ଆଉ।
କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଚୁଆଲ case law ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ।
ଖୋଜିବି କଣ
Contractual any misrepresentation and suppression, the contract can be cancelled.
ମୁଁ ଖୋଜିବି ଆଜ୍ଞା
Terminated.
ପଢିକି ଆସିବା ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବି
ପଢିକିରି ଆସ ଭଲ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
That's
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
good. I'm giving you 1 week time to read.
My lord, lordship give to
6th March. आराम से बहुत समय ही पड़ेगा.
Great.
Okay, next.
Item 93.
93. सुना सब करे गले? DRAT ना DRP? हाँ.
Lordships.
दीचा पड़े गले DRT पड़े वाला.
Lordships.
What is this matter?
Yes, your lordships. Lordships may just take up my rejoinder.
But
In fact,
senior is not there. He can't assist.
Rajiv sir actually Jagasingpur jaychen sakal.
he's been conducting all the time. He said he will not be conducting. He will be conducting.
He will be conducting, na?
Yes, that's what the submission of the council was for last 2 days.
He will be conducting.
My senior will appear in this matter.
Hey?
This is
Selectively. Selectively.
No.
And I'll do one thing and let me then sit down. If my junior, my associate appears, maybe he'll appear then. This is like.
You are scared of Didi.
No, I'm not scared.
Your lordships will see. Now, this person is actually, there's a reason why they're delaying the matter, your lordships. I insist on the hearing.
My
They
lordship,
insist-
the
they will-
matter
they
is
will
very-
attach. I'll see the matter with the petitioner.
Let him senior tomorrow. Let us come tomorrow. 2 p.m. काली ऐसे 2 p.m. की जाए
2 p.m.
काली डाकी तो काली
निहाती my lordship.
निहाती काली ऐसे लाना तो कॉस्ट लगे भी काली
102.
2 p.m. good. 102.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, last occasion, your lordship pleased to issue notice. Lordship, this is the matter relating to grant of compensation as to fire accident caused by the bursting of cylinder.
Bursting of cylinder.
Yes, your lordship.
Oh.
But this REIT application is not maintainable.
Why?
Because he has a suppressed the fact. Earlier, he has filed 2 REIT application. That was when one REIT application disposed of with a direction to the collector to verify the genuineness of the claim. And there, after verification, it has come against him. So thereafter, he has filed the REIT application, second REIT application that has been dismissed. And he has not disclosed these things.
That you have not mentioned.
Lordship, no, your lordship, because I have not
Why have you not
instructed,
mentioned?
not instructed by the petitioner that he has
The petitioner dialed registered that
filed 2 REIT application previously, your lordship.
Then he has to suffer.
Lordship, I'm appearing for OP3 in this matter. I am, as my
for the-
learned
for the,
senior said, I'm providing
For
the.
the company.
I'm from Bajrang Bharat Gas. Sir is for my senior is for.
Yeah, for?
Bajrang Bharat Gas, OP number
Gas
3.
agency.
That's
Gas
not the
agency.
agency. Gas agency.
Yes.
Gas agency. So, as my learned senior pointed out, the writ petition number 21392 and the case status thereof, I'm producing before your lordship in the form of
Why
a
are you
memo.
such a hurry? I'm not Vande Bharat train भाई. Why are you such a आराम से बोलो. इतना हड़बड़ी क्यों है?
I apologize.
A good lawyer always argue very smoothly. Don't go like you stone crusher machine. Kata, 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 kata. Don't do that.
Lordship, in the memo of lordship may kindly see page number 2. That
What is this?
It is the memo I have provided.
What is this about? What is the judgment say?
Judgment is the previous judgment in which the
Matter तो मैं बुझे पा judgment धरे दोचनी judgment धरे वा की culture मुझे judgment जानी नहीं मत judgment दो.
Lordship, this is the earlier disposed application which my learned senior was talking about.
Oh, that judgment.
Yes, your lordship. 21392.
sorry.
Order of this honorable
Matter
court.
facts ना जाए judgment को order पढ़े
No, lordship. The order of this honorable court in the previous disposed matter.
Same person.
Yes, your lordship. And I have in fact attached the case status.
He has not disclosed about this, your lordship. As per his instruction, same party. Kindly solve me a copy.
Dismiss it la.
Dismiss
They are a very jealous petitioner. Over jealous petitioner. अपना cause के लिए.
In fact, if I may pray that your lordship may look at
ये
page
dismiss ही
5.
search अगर dismiss पुणे आउथर कम फाइल करछो. Learned of concept of the petitioner has suppressed the fact that in earlier writ petition number 33817 of 2023, where the same petitioner has suffered a dismissal from this court, video order dated
30th March
30th March
2022.
2022. Again, he has come up, he has approached this court with the same cause of action, which amounts to what?
Suppression of facts.
No, something else. No, that's wrong.
Violation of res judicata. मतलब principle of res judicata would
What is
apply.
res judicata? बोलो अभी बताओ. What is res judicata?
Res judicata, lordship, a principle under which it bars it bars a party to a suit to furnish another suit with the same cause of action and the same set of parties.
Okay. Okay. So the suppression and also what is the principle of res judicata? No. It's res judicata. Hence, this writ petition cannot be entertained, and the petitioner is warned that he should not approach this, he should not waste the time of the court by approaching this court again and again on the same cause of action. Se loko kଣ କରେ ଏ ଲୋକଟା କଣ କରେ ଏ ଲୋକ? What is this man doing?
I have no instruction regarding that. But
He is asking for some compensation,
Yes,
no
sir.
cost. Okay, dismiss.
domestic purpose रे supply ହେଇଛି କିନ୍ତୁ commercial use କରିଛି.
Jewelry shop रे use होଥିଲା cylinder.
ଆରେ dismiss ତ କଲେଣି ଆଉ କେତେ ଆଉ ଭିତରକୁ
Our name
ପଶିବ?
may be recorded.
ହଁ ହେଲା.
Our name may be recorded.
Your name will record, you raise your bill, no problem. Then now answer later.
Oblige, your lordship.
Item 103.
103.
May I please also? Shema, this appeal for bail, my lord. Earlier,
SCST?
appeal for bail, my lord. Earlier, you also twice disposed of this bail application, and lastly, you also directed.
Bhai, hello. Please don't talk like this. This is not done. Cost କରିବି ଏ ଯେ କଥା ହେଲା. ଥରେ ଯେ ପଦେ ପଟେ ବାହାରିଲା ନା 1000 ଟଙ୍କା cost କରିବି. ହଁ deposit କରିବ ଯାଇକିରି. ହେଲା.
Pardon, your lordship. Your lordship.
फिर क्या हो गया तुमको?
Lordship observe that counsel for the petitioner suppressed this fact. Your lordship, actually the petitioner
मैं
suppressed.
counsel लिखी नहीं तो. मैं petitioner लिखी थी. I am aware you are a good boy. I know that. So don't worry. I not harm you. Okay, don't go.
Here, my last occasion, you also dispose this bail application with the direction to express trial within 3 months. My
petition लिख दे ना. Petition लिख दो. Counsel लिख दो. हाँ.
Last occasion, you also directed dispose of the bail application with the direction to express trial within 3 months, my lord. And till today, as per my instruction, charge has
Yeah,
not.
these direction are don't take it so seriously because you people insist. That's why we say okay, complete within 3 months,
Well,
4 months.
and
Actually, no higher court suit direct to the lower court for completion of any trial, something within this date, that date, expeditious. Don't do this.
My-
This is not
Apart
done.
from this, my lord, he is the inside custody since 26/12/2020, my lord. And last exam, my
Why have you filed this CRLA?
for bail, my lord. This is
Bail ना?
my lord.
SCST bill. कितने दिन रहिलानी?
Since 26/12/2020.
26/12/20 कौन करथिला?
376 506 of IPC, that is section 3 of SCST Act, my lord. And
376.
my lord.
कौन अच्छी against यार?
Eyewitness option. And also.
What is the age of the girl?
The last occasion,
This is a
as
major
your lords.
What is the age of the girl?
25 years, my lord.
25 years.
My lord.
There is consent.
No.
They are laborers, my lord.
A labor man consent not है. Labor. Don't say. Labor वाले को मैं कहूँ था.
On the last occasion, your lordship
They're not human being.
directed the state to serve notice on the survivor, my lord. As SCST is there.
So notice is not.
Notice sufficient है कि appear करना.
Last
गोटे chance.
You also last occasion also given
Can
time.
be granted to the opposite party, victim to appear in the matter. List the matter. 2 weeks later, 2 weeks later. 27th ras. 27. ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ complete ହେଇଛି ତ?
Okay.
Last occasion you also given opportunity to.
It has been.
ठीक है ଗୋଟେ ଥର ଚାନ୍ସ ଗୋଟେ ଥର ଆପଣ ଏତେ ନଉଛନ୍ତି adjournment ଗୁଡା ନଉଛନ୍ତି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆସି ପାରିଲା ଜଣେ ବାଚ ଟ୍ରାଏ ଆଇଲା ନହେଲେ ନାହିଁ ଗୋଟେ ତ ଚାନ୍ସ ଦେବି.
It has been solved.
Solved no? Want to mention?
Lordship, there is an interim in that matter. We did.
Interim or two.
93.
Interim or two. Okay. Next.
104.
Your lordship fix it to 27.
हाँ 27.
This is a matter, my lord. The petitioner before your lordship is an advocate. My lord, on the particular, my lord, during that time, there was a, my lord, agitation raised by the lawyers against the police atrocity, my lord. For that reason, my lord, while the petitioner was moving to the court, riding a scooty, my lord. Scooty belongs to his sister, my lord. On the way, the police seized the vehicle.
So you have come for releasing the vehicle?
नहीं रिलीज नहीं कॉग्निजेंस नहीं चंदी कॉग्निजेंस गाड़ी रिलीज है
कौन गाड़ी कथा छाड़न तो आपन
एटारे कॉग्निजेंस नहीं चंती योर लॉर्डशिप विल फाइंड माय लॉर्ड से माय लॉर्ड annexure 5 at page 2 my lord page 16 my lord cognizance has been taken under sections 177 181 180 180 196 of the MB Act मोर लाइसेंस नहीं गाड़ी इंश्योरेंस नहीं यही ये चार्ज है योर लॉर्डशिप में काइंडली टर्न टू annexure 8 series में लॉर्ड I produced before the authority but they didn't my lord
when the incident took place?
My lord, incident in the year 2016 my lord. My lord, during that period your lordship will find
So your this is your license, registration certificate of the vehicle.
Registration certificate, then my lord insurance certificate, and next is driving license, my lord.
You have produced at that time?
Yes, I produced, but they, my lord, deliberately they seized the vehicle and they reported the matter after 26 days. Although your lordship knows 102 of the CRPC says, my lord, they have to report the seizure of the vehicle immediately after seizure, my lord. Section 102, subsection 3, my lord. But they reported after 26 days. My lord, in the meantime, I filed an application under section 93 for, my lord, that vehicle, section 93 application, I have filed, your lordship will find at annexure 3, page 12.
What is your prayer here?
ସେଥିରେ ମୁଁ ସେଟାକୁ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ୱାରେଣ୍ଟ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ପିଟିସନଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲି ଏଇଟାକୁ ଇଲିଗାଲି ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କରିଦେଇକି ତାପରେ ଦେନ୍ ଦି ମାଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ ଟୁକ୍ କଗ୍ନିଜେନ୍ସ my lord. After 26 days the report coming, my lord.
What is your answer?
My lord, kindly have a glass to page 25, my lord.
25 annexure?
Annexure 3.
Acha.
Annexure 7, my lord. Sorry. Annexure 7, my lord.
Page 3.
Annexure 7 series. 7.
The order rejecting my application.
Middle portion, my lord. The IIC Gunpur PS has submitted a sanctioned prosecution report against the petitioner and our brother complainant of the IC 1CC case number 9 of 2016 under section so and so of Motor Vehicle Act 1988. Along with the case record, the photographs of the scooty in question and seizure list regarding the seizure of scooty has been submitted. It is very much clear that the seizure of the scooty in question has been reported by the Gunpur police in connection with violation of provisions of Motor Vehicle Act 1988, and as such, there is no dispute as to the custody of the scooty in question. The petitioner as well as the person from whose possession the scooty has been seized are at liberty to move a proper application, my lord. Proper application before the court for release of the vehicle.
That I have done, my lord. Subsequently, I have done, and the scooty has been released in my favor.
Moreover, my lord,
because
if your lordship will
now scooty is released in your favor, then what do you want more?
My lord, cognizance order, questioning of cognizance order, because I have got everything, my lord. There is no violation. Now the magistrate takes cognizance under section 176.
At the time of this thing, you have not given them.
My lord, I gave them, but they didn't deliberately. They didn't seize those documents, my lord.
Page 15.
Your lordship may kindly look.
Your lordship may kindly have a glance to page
series
15, my lord. Annexure 4. This is a letter wrote by the IIC to the person concerned. Production of original documents of seized Hero Pleasure vehicle bearing registration number so and so for verification and taking it in Jima. ए लेटरटा तांको दिया हैतला 1/9/2016 रे
तापर जेतु मु पिटिशनटा फाइल कर देथिली सेठी कंप्लेंट पिटिशनटा सेट पे से रिसीव कलेनी मोर डॉक्यूमेंट I went to the police station with all the documents.
So why only this is with respect to the seizure of vehicle?
Only cognizance.
Why then?
My lord, senior.
There is no violation
of the cognizance, my lord.
Then let it be quashed then. What is the, I mean, this is that's such a big thing.
Yes.
No, my lord, kindly have a glance to prayer. Prayer रे भी तांकर cognizance टा quash करिया पई कोइ नांदी. to release the vehicle.
कौन रिलीज दी vehicle ता
देखो,
पूर्व टिके पढ़ंतु
देखुची
or because the order dated
the
so and so.
petition sticky opposite party upon hearing be pleased to set aside the order dated so and so passed by the Lawrence Subdivisional Judicial Magistrate Gunpur in one session number and direct the Lawrence court below direct to police to return the vehicle to release
कोटा
it.
ता पूर्व पढ़ंतु
Let me pass. किसी नहीं इधर कौन से?
Your lordship may question.
Give me a short note. We have prepared.
नहीं मैं प्रिपेयर
Prepare कर
वो दे दे
prepare करो just because
छोटिया
some
matter
facts should not छोटिया matter बड़ा matter नहीं उड़े अभ्यास करन तो समझते note गुटे पेज रे prepare
आगे।
करे आसीबे that will fortify your
नहीं एबे सबुथिरे दिया होची
ना देबा पे ने मते देबा पे
आगे।
separate one pager everybody that will show that everybody is preparing otherwise I don't believe that you are
I will
preparing
give it.
एठी prepare करछन आसी समझते सेति में कहूची मु that shows मु use करे ना करे
कल काली काली करू
compulsory.
I will supply it.
Compulsory.
I will give
One
it.
of our teacher what he did से
काली रो मु दे देबी नोट गोटे पेज नोट
काली रो
हां काली रो
9 8 रो 8 next
Item 105.
105
my lord, I pray lordship any date the file has misplaced lordship and
what is the miscase
misplaced lordship.
oh file
Misplaced. My lord, reconstitution this my lord,
Okay.
next week any date lordship.
you want file copy
My lord,
you can take from here
my lord,
copy कर दे देंतु नहीं
my lord, oblige lordship.
आई फेरे देंतु ओके लिस्ट केबे 22nd दे दो
My lord, oblige.
फाइल लेके फिर करके नहीं आसु
My lord, interim order में confidence.
91 don't misplace
My lord,
misplace this file also don't misplace
no, my lord, just I am giving my lord after the
next
106.
106 non appears
The last occasion also, nobody has appeared.
जाओ सेमती सैम nobody appears today previous next
107.
107 107 এটা কোন यार हाल कोन
Non-appearance.
same कर दो वाला next 100
108.
8
May I please, your lordship, let short note of submission, my lord.
very good
Lordship, at the occasion to hear this matter, the husband and wife, my lord. OP number 2 is the wife and petitioner is the husband. The OP number 2 is a woman constable under Odisha police and the petitioner is a retired Jawan. Earlier, my lord, she filed 3 criminal cases. The charge sheet, final report I have.
this is wife husband
Wife husband, my lord, litigating terms in a civil suit. Civil suit is decided in favor of the husband. Again, divorce proceeding.
don't prepare a note like another writ petition or criminal revision prepare the note legally see facts
My lord.
facts 1 2 3 4 5 point formula তারপরে points to argue 1 2 3 4 5 তারপরে points to argue on law 1 2 3 4 5
Hello.
case law को हिंदी prepare करा है ये तो सही I would that law I would read petition बनी वाला है note note को है ये क्या note बने note should be crispy पापड़ वाला crispy तो अदर का
This case, my lord, the police has told that all our allegations are, most of our allegations are false. She has been baptized. The baptism certificate has been seized. She is a Christian and she claims to be a member of the scheduled caste. The gold chain snatching allegation is wrong. The second marriage of the petitioner is wrong. Because the magistrate took cognizance of the offense under section 294, 323 or
what is
350.
that 294
Abuse करिवा, husband wife abuse करा करी हेले.
आओ
506 354 मतलब it is not attracted husband wife outraging modesty 500 जो मु threaten कली दर छुट्टी टाली
okay order is up next सरकार किछ कहबो किछ कहबार नै सरकार opposite party की अछि
से आरो थरो भी आसी नथिले मला
लिखि दो the opposite party counsel was not present today on earlier occasion also he was not present hence this court proceeded on the footing on the submission of the present petitioner and upon perusal of the case records this court the following facts emerged 1 2 3 4 5 7 लिखि दो ତାପରେ ଡାକିଦେବି ଖାଲି it's note edit. Okay, next.
Published.
Item 109.
109.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, on the last occasion, your lordship had directed to implead the complainant as
Have you
opposite party.
Implemented करछंती?
For that, to that effect, my lord, miss case number 1128 of 2017 has already been filed. long
File.
back.
Okay, miscase for implement. That is allowed. And notice is that notice go to the implemented party, newly implemented party by registered post.
My lord.
Petitioner to file the requisite within 5 working days from today. 5 दिन में करना है. This the matter on March 1st.
Interim stay to continue.
Interim stay to continue. Next.
Item 111.
110, my lord. They have not intimated me.
Somebody withdraw. Next.
111.
11.
Lordship, on behalf of Mr. Chand, Lordship, permit to withdraw as per instruction.
Permit to withdraw. कहाँ का अपन permission दो चंदी की? Sentence ठीक करन तू. Permit to withdraw माने कौन? Permit to withdraw माने कौन? ना अपन जन को permit करके withdraw करे अपन.
Permitted.
अपन permission मांगू चंदी. अपन permit किन्हीं को withdraw.
Permitted, sir, Lordship.
केम sentence ठीक कर पाले. नाला देवी.
Lordship, on behalf of Mr. Chand, permitted to withdraw, Lordship.
Permitted to withdraw माने कौन आला? English ठीक है ना? ना sentence ठीक कर दो. वो ठीक कर ना.
SDGM Nayagarh and Sessions Judge Nayagarh. And in between, Honorable High Court concluded the matters, matrimonial matters between the wife and opposite parties. And it is, the marriage was dissolved on June 2023, permanent alimony granted, and wife received 2 installments. This is the.
So you have given money. How much? What is the amount of permanent alimony?
40 lakhs, 15 lakhs.
You have paid that?
Yes.
Total amount paid?
No, total amount. By the order of installment. 3 installment for wife, 15 lakhs, and 6 installments for child, 25 lakhs. 2 installment deposited. My lord.
So far, कितने pay कर सकते?
कितने payment है जी? 10 lakhs, 11 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 90,000.
You are paying in installment.
Yes.
As per court order.
Yes.
तो फिर problem कौन है sir?
Actually, what happened in this case, my lord, the petitioner filed a DV in this case.
Sir, से story को जान दो नहीं. Finally order है ला order है बे आपण ये बे DV फीवी को तो छाड़. Finally order हिस्सा लेनी है.
I was not appearing in the maternal appeal, my lord. But my only question is, till the dismissal of the DV miss case, there was a award of interim entrance, my lord. So I pray, my lord, said interim entrance should be paid to the petitioner, my lord.
ये तो हेला पर interim entrance कोड दिया हम. बेकार बता.
This is the only question. मतलब आउ किछ
ना है आपण किसी केस सब ये आपण कर ये order ये divorce है गलानी permanent alimony सब गलानी और DV धरी आपण पैसे.
Even receive half installment नहीं सर लेने.
Close ही जाएगा था.
40 lakhs सुनी.
क्या क्लोज ही जीवा मो का
फिर कौन भाई पैसा देवे ना देवे नहीं.
DB already
दो दिनों जाके जाकर DV टा निष्केस
तो DV dismiss आ ताले को आपण किछि नाही केस.
किछि मु पाई नहीं गया.
किछि केस नहीं.
इंटीरिम एंट्रेंस हम जमा पाई नहीं. एटा चला.
Actually the
father of the
actually दबा कथा ताकर.
My lord, actually
कामधेनु गाई बोली भाबिले हबो से बिचारी मनिषटा.
My lord, CMC number 119 of 2015 dismissed for a default of a petitioner by SDGM Nayagarh. Then she filed, my lord, listen. Then she filed CMC number 1 of 2021 arising out of 19 by 119 rejected by the SDGM Nayagarh.
DB case number कितने कौन?
119 of 2015.
What is the order? इधर file इची?
Yes.
Annex.
इची? कितने कोई annex?
Annexure.
3. 19 order.
Annexure 1 होची 119 of 2015
एटा केट को एटा केबे करो? एटा judgment dated 19/8
7/3/2020.
7/3. In 19/8 टा कोन एटा
कोटा सर?
ये 19/8 टा 2021.
21 टा होची रिस्टोर करिया पई.
ओ रिस्टोर कर.
आ गया.
पुणी आउ थरे देइथिले जोटा कि डिसमिस हेछि पुणी सेई नयागढ़ जज तीन थर डिसमिस हेछि एटा
No, no, once dismissed by the Lorna trial court.
रुहନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଚୁପ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ କିଛି କରୁନି ଏଟା 19 of 2015
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କୋଉଟା ସେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ମତେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଏତେ ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
या ପରେ 1 by 1 ଅଛି
No. Since the order dated, since the Court of SDGM Nayagarh, BD CMC number 19 of 2015, in CMC number 119 of 2015, BD order dated 2/3/2020 has already dismissed the DV case, the case under domestic violence. Hence, nothing survives in the matter, and further, the divorce has already been granted to the parties, and as BD order dated, divorce order dated
14 जून 27 जून 2023
27 June 2023. Accordingly, this court is of the view that the pendency of the matter before this court at this stage is a futile exercise and it deserves to be dismissed. Accordingly, this present criminal will be dismissed.
Obliged.
Next,
113.
113. 113.
Item 130.
None. What Behra? 9. None appears. List the matter on 22nd. 114.
114.
I'm appearing for the opposite party.
Petitioner Nandiki.
No, my lord, as per direction, registry has issued notice to the petitioner since the earlier brief has been transferred from the counsel for the petitioner.
Petitioner.
No, there is a noting, yes, sir, not back.
Aliaji. None appears for the petitioner.
Last occasion, none appears.
Dismissed.
Obliged.
115.
15.
115, my lord, on behalf of Mr.
Good.
Kalajanandan Das, I pray may be taken up tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow.
Is an another.
Tomorrow, no problem. So, okay, tomorrow. Tomorrow, second half.
Yes.
The
decree has been granted, 24 lakhs have been paid, everything, but they are not withdrawing the DV.
Let him come.
Yes, tomorrow.
Next.
116.
May I please, Your Lordship, I am for the petition.
Last occasion, your lordship directed to file the equity counter the additional equity for income and other status of. I am for a wife. Since long 70,000 is pending after passing the lower court, London court below.
ଆପଣ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ କିଛି ଲେଖିଲେ ଖାଲି 40,000 ପଇସା ଲେଖିଦେଲେ
My lord, I have taken that.
କମ ସେ କମ ଗୋଟେ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଢଙ୍ଗରେ ତ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ କରନ୍ତି କୋଉ ସୋର୍ସରୁ ପାଆନ୍ତି 40,000 ଲେଖିବେନି I have annual income around 40,000 annual income ହେଲା ମାସକୁ କେତେ ହେଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା
My lord, around 3,000.
ମାସକୁ କେତେ ହେଲା
3,000 to 4,000 rupees, my lord.
ମାସକୁ 3,000 to 4,000 ଆମର ପିଅନ ବି ରହିବନି କାମ
My lord, actually,
ସେ କଣ କାମ
the
କରେ
small garment shop belongs to my brother-in-law.
ଗାର୍ମେଣ୍ଟ ସପରେ କାମ
Garment shop is a छोटो जो ये shop है,
ସେଇଠି ଯୋଉ ଶାଢୀ ସେ shop ଟା ସେ brother in law ଙ୍କର ମୁଁ ସେଇଠି engage ଅଛି. The fact is admitted by the petitioner during her evidence. My lord, categorically she has stated that my husband is earning 3 to 4,000 rupees and we are dependent on the income pension
ଆପଣ
income.
କଣ କରନ୍ତି? Wife's income?
Wife by କିଛି କରନ୍ତିନି ଘରେ now she is staying at mother's house, my lord. My lord, I have already submitted the copy of the registration. He is the owner of the car vehicle and maintaining the car.
She herself.
And he is the owner of a garment shop. There is before that, before case, there is
Garment shop ର owner କିଏ ଅଛି?
ମୋର ଭଉଣୀଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଅଛି owned by my brother in law. ମୋ ଭଉଣୀ
ଯେ car maintain କରୁଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ
That is,
ଆପଣ କାର ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଅଛି, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଆପଣ ନାହିଁ ଗଲେ କେତେ?
5,000 to father ମା ଆଉ ପୁଅର ଆଜ୍ଞା 5,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଗୋଟେ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ମର୍ଡର ହେଇଛି ସେ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଆହୁରି 70,000 ଟଙ୍କା ବାକି ରଖିଛନ୍ତି। ଆମେ ଚଳିବା କେମିତି ଗୋଟେ କାର ମେଣ୍ଟେନ କରୁଛି ଇଏ କରୁଛି ଘର ବି ଦେଇଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆଜ୍ଞା ତା ବାପାର ଘର। That is ମାନେ କେମିତି ସୁସାଇଡ୍ କରିବ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି।
Brother is saying he has not taken those averments during her cross examination.
ସେ ଅଭରମେଣ୍ଟ ଫେର ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି, ଏତିକି କଥା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି। ମୁଁ ସିଧା ପୁରା ମୁଁ ବଳଦିଆ ମେଥଡ ଆମର ବଳଦିଆ ମେଥଡ ହେଲା ଯେ ତମେ ପଇସା ୱାଇଫ କୁ ଡିଜର୍ଟ କରିଛ ପଇସା ଦବ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ।
ମୁଁ ମିଲଟ୍ ଦଉଛି।
କେତେ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
ମିଲଟ୍ ମୁଁ 2,500 at present ମୁଁ ଦଉଛି by the order of this.
କେତେ ପେଣ୍ଡେନ୍ସି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅଛି?
Milord, it was stayed by this.
ପେଣ୍ଡି ଅଛି 70,000।
ଷ୍ଟେ ଯୋଉ ଅଛି ସେଟା ଦିଆ ହବ ନା।
Milord, stay ଅଛି ତ soon after this honorable court directed me to pay. Thereafter I continuously paying 2,000 rupees, 2,500 rupees every month. To the
pendency ଅଛି କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
70,000 ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ
Milord, I have to
he is not I have filed affidavit.
Milord, what they are calculating on the basis of the total, because when this matter is what I have prayed for in this, I have prayed for reduction of the interim maintenance amount. I am not saying I will not pay for maintenance of my wife and child. So on my prayer, I have prayed for reduction of the amount. My brother is saying he is calculating the entire amount as per the order of the Honorable JMFC City. So unless until this matter is decided by this honorable court, I will be prejudice if I pay the entire amount. My humble submission, I am paying.
ଏଥିରେ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କଣଟା କରିବୁ? ଏଥିରେ ଡିସାଇଡ୍
2,500 ଅଛି ମିଲଟ୍ 2,000
ତଳ କୋର୍ଟ କେତେ ଥିଲା?
5,000 ଥିଲା। ମୁଁ
ଆଉ ଇଏ ଅପିଲ ରେ
ଅପିଲେଟ୍ କୋର୍ଟରେ ସେଇଟା କନଫର୍ମ କଲେ 5,000 କନଫର୍ମ କଲେ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ସରିଲାଣି ପିଟିସନର।
ଏବେ ମୁଁ କନଫର୍ମ କରିଦେଇଛି।
ମିଲଟ୍ ଟିକେ ଖାଲି ଭାବନ୍ତୁ ନିଜେ
ଆପଣ 40,000 ଏତେ ମିଛ କାହିଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି? 40,000 ଆମର ଇନକମ୍ ବୋଲି।
ମିଲଟ୍ ମୁଁ ମିଛ କହୁନି। It is a fact that I am taking care of my old mother. ତାର ପେନସନ
ନୂଆ କଥା କଲି।
ମୋ ଭଉଣୀ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରିକି ଭିଣୋଇକି ମତେ ଏଙ୍ଗେଜ କରେଇଛି ତା ସବ ସେତିକି ମିଲଟ୍। ମୁଁ ସେତିକି
ନାଁରେ ସବ୍ ଅଛି।
ମୋ ଭଉଣୀଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଅଛି। ଭିଣୋଇ
ସବୁର ଡିଟେଲ ଦେଖିଲି। ଅଛି ଡିଟେଲ ନେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ। ଆଉ ଏଇ କାର ର କଣ୍ଡିସନ ମତେ କଣ?
କାର ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଠିକ ଅଛି ମିଲଟ୍।
ଦେଲେ ତ ସେ ଦେବେନି କି?
ମ୍ୟାଡମ୍ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ପେପର ଇଜ ମ୍ୟାଡମ୍
ପେପର ଥିଲେ କଣ ବିକ୍ରି ହେଇପାରିବନି?
ବିକ୍ରି ହେଇନି।
ରେସନ ପେପର କେବେ କାଢିଥିଲେ ଆପଣ?
ଏବେ ରିସେଣ୍ଟ ବାହାର କରିଛି। ଆଫ୍ଟର ୟୁର ଅନରେବଲ କୋର୍ଟ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟେଡ
କାଢିଥିଲେ।
ହଁ
ବ୍ରଦର has not given me copy of.
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି। ହଁ ସବୁ ଦେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା। There is no illegality. My humble confession is lower court passed this order and also appellate court already
hypothecated car କାହିଁ ଏତେ ପଛରେ ପଡିବ? hypothecated car
ଯାହାହେଲେ ଇନକମ୍ 5,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଝିଅ ଆଉ ମା ଆଉ ପୁଅକୁ ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା there is not a high
ମୋ ଭିଣୋଇ ସିଏ ବିଜନେସ
ଚଳିବ କେମିତି ଆଜ୍ଞା? ଏସବୁ ମିଛ କଥା।
ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମ ଚଳିବେ କୋର୍ଟ ଚଳିବ ନା କଣ? ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ପାଇବ ଯାହା। ଆଉ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏରିଆ ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆପଣ ଏମିତି ଅଧିକ ମିଛ କଥା ହଉ। ଇଏ ସେ ମତେ ଦୋକାନର ଓନରସିପ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖେଇବେ।
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ହେଲା।
I will.
ଆଉ କାର ର ଷ୍ଟାଟସ ମତେ କହିବେ।
ମିଲଟ୍ I will.
ହେଲା। what is the status of this car?
In the meantime area amount କିଛି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
No ମିଲଟ୍।
ଟିକେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କନଫର୍ମ କଲା ପରେ ଫାଇନାଲ ଅର୍ଡର କରିଦିଅ। ଆରିୟର ଫେର କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
ମିଲଟ୍ I will be prejudiced ଯଦି ତାର ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଏଗେନ୍ଷ୍ଟ ମୋ
ଆରେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୋ କଥା କହିଲେ ସେଟା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ। ମୋ ପ୍ରିଜୁଡିସ୍ 9th ରେ ଆସୁ। ନାଇଁ ତ ଆପଣ ଡିଟେଲ ଦେବେ ମତେ।
ମିଲ
ସେ ଦୋକାନର ଓନର କିଏ, କାର ଓନର କିଏ, କାର ତାର ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ ସବୁ ମତେ କହିବେ।
My lord, for your information, my lord, interesting fact is ଯେ ଆଗରୁ ନେମ୍ ପ୍ଲେଟ୍ ଥିଲା ଆଫ୍ଟର କେସ୍ ନେମ୍ ପ୍ଲେଟ୍ ବି ଉଡେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ସ ୟୋର ଲର୍ଡସିପ
କୋଉ ନେମ୍ ପ୍ଲେଟ୍?
ଦୋକାନର ନାଁଟା ଥିଲା। whenever your lordship asked me ମୁଁ କହିପାରିଲି କାହିଁକି ନା ସେଟା
ମୁଁ ଏତେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏତେ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଭିତରେ ମୋ କୋର୍ଟର କାମ ନାହିଁ। Then only we'll see. You get that information. आप पता नहीं ट्रायल कोर्ट लॉयर जैसे क्यों बिहेव करते हो? आप हाई कोर्ट में प्रैक्टिस करते हो भाई, थोड़ा तो सुधर जाओ। कार नेम प्लेट हटिगला, कार टायर पंक्चर हेगला, एटा भी रिजनल कोर्ट रिजनल ओडिया बिहेव करंतु ताको पूरा एंदी को स्तर को नेलेनी आ।
नो माय लॉर्ड।
हां नो नो कोन नो मो एटा गोटे कथा। नो नो आई डिडंट एक्सेप्ट नेम प्लेट तार फटे दिला।
ଦୋକାନ ନାଁ କଣ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହିପାରିବି।
मो दुकान किछि ने से दियंतु ताणी के मते के बियर अपन से वाइफ हस्बैंड जदी झगड़ा ना लॉयर में झगड़ा लागुछन। वाइफ हस्बैंड एत लागु नथि चाना बसी के दरकार बोले खाइ पी के सुस्त थि अपन से झगड़ा लागुछन। सेति आपण एनर्जी जदी लगांते से माने मिसी जानते। आपण जेते लंबी बसते जेते लंबी बसते माल
इंटरेस्ट अच्छे मिस जानतो आज्ञा हमर
हां आपण केते ने मिसी गेला आपण फीज मिलबे
नहीं 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 मिस जानतो भलो माय ब्रदर आई एम इंटरेस्टेड टू
समझ एठू तळे अलगा कथा हां
नो भाई
आ ଟିକେ लंबी तळ
ऑनेस्ट से जे मिसी गेला तो भलो इफ योर लॉर्डशिप मिसी दियंतो गुटे परिवार भलो होता
मु मिसी आई लव टू डू दैट मु कहबो 2 घंटा एक्स्ट्रा बसी मिसाय पई ये आस्ति मिसी ना आई आगे देखला आसे पूरा सब
ऑनेस्टली से
माय लॉर्ड आला वाला आसुंदी जिंदी हाणे हाणे हिजी
माय लॉर्ड ऑनेस्टली से आपण जे कहै छी दियो बस जानतो पर्सनल ईयर
केते लोग आले केते केई सक्सेस होनी मु
तथापि बसंतु
आई एम
एटलीस्ट योर ऑनर
गुटे भी
चेष्टा करी गुटे फैमिली बसे परंते
गुटे जियो मारे आसे
माय लॉर्ड गुटे फैमिली जदी बसे पर
हां मु जानि छी मो
The salary statement of the
My only submission is that as per the earlier order on 17 month to pay rupees 2 lakhs.
now still continuing in this job or
Continuing in job. My lord.
so केते थिला
2 लाख टका दबा पई ऑर्डर हेतला only praying for some more time.
2 लाख
My
आपका तो हाथ का मैल है क्या इतना सीडीएम में पैसा सैलरी तो 2 लाख ऊपर पाउथबो
TDS वर्तमान कोन
TDS कोन TDS का संबंध कटिया को नुआ कथा
only for 3 weeks or 4 weeks time may be granted 2 lakhs
okay 2 lakhs to 2 weeks time
this is the salary
okay 2
statement.
कौन करी सैलरी से मो ता इनकम कोन मु जानि नहीं सैलरी से तो
Net salary is 1,82,000.
आई नो सर मैडम आउ बहुत कथा अछि ताबरे सीडीएम ना सीडीएम बहुत कथा अछि आज किछि ना 100टा स्कीम सीडीएम अंडर इंप्लीमेंट हुए आई यू नो बाकी सब जिंस ठीक कहबार नहीं राइट कोठी कुछ ना ओके एनीवे 2 weeks टाइम ग्रांट कर दो चला लेट हिम पे द कैरियर मेंटेनेंस केते एज होची तोर क्लाइंट को
2 lakhs
तोर क्लाइंट रो एज केते
age my lord
देखो ना एफिडेविट छै
45
45 रे 45 रे सीडी में गेलानी
this is the
ए तो आली
my lord near about 50.
अपन क्लाइंट रो एज अपन जान नाते आसी केस को
as a 22
I am for the
45
wife.
या फॉर द वाइफ कम थिबो हस्बैंड केते
46
बस बस गैप दिन के भीतर
2022 रो
एते क्विकली के दिस सीडी में गेला 45 वर्ष
I don't I don't really
इली एरिया जैसे डॉक्टर ना थी
maybe for good performance or
2
something.
weeks भीतर दवेला एंटायर अमाउंट you are not a poor man
3,75,000.
2 lakhs as per earlier order mein I
earlier order के 2 लाख
2 lakhs
2 लाख दे 2 लाख 2 lakhs in let rupees 2 lakhs the area paid within 2 weeks list the matter on 29 days
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ IA ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲୁ ସେଇ ଯୋଉଟା ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ 104 of 24
next अरे केतेटा एटा दुईटा फाइल करछ Oh, अच्छा.
108.
So the other lady is also working? The lady is also working?
No,
Housewife?
housewife,
With children?
no children.
Okay. ठीक. Next.
And for petitioner. Petitioner filed this writ application challenging the impugned order dated 28/11/2000 passed by.
कौन है ये ना? कौन केस टा?
ମୁଁ ହଉଛି ଆମେ ହଉଛି ଝିଅ ଆମକୁ ମାନେ ଆମ ଭାଇ ଆମ ଦସ୍ତଖତକୁ ଫ୍ରଡ କରି ପରମାନେଣ୍ଟ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତରେ ପକେଇକିରି ଅର୍ଡର ନେଇ ପଳେଇ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା କି ମୁଁ ସେଟା ମିସକେସ୍ ଫାଇଲ କଲି ମିସକେସ୍ ର ମଧ୍ୟ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଲା ଯେ
कौन की पैसा?
ପଇସା ନୁହେଁ ଏଟା ହଉଛି ଜମି ଆମକୁ ସବୁ ଇଗ୍ନୋର କରିଦେଇ ମୋ ସିଗ୍ନେଚର ଫୋର୍ସ କରିକିରି
अदालत जमी केवढे देलानी?
ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତରେ ପରମାନେଣ୍ଟ କମ୍ପ୍ରମାଇଜ ଦାଖଲ କରିଦେଲେ କମ୍ପ୍ରମାଇଜ ଦାଖଲ କରିକିରି ନେଇ ଚାଲିଗଲେ କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି ହାଭ୍ ଏ ଗ୍ଲାନ୍ସ ଟୁ ଦ ଅର୍ଡର annexure 3 ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ପାୱାର ଦେଇକିରି annexure 3 ପେଜ annexure 3 ପେଜ 21 ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଖାଲି ଜଷ୍ଟ କହି ଦଉଛି Plaint with certain documents filed CRJT advocate registered civil court এটা হচ্ছে 23/11/2010 put up on office note সেই 23/9 ରେ
आपन क्लाइंट ना कोन?
ଆମ ମୋ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ହଉଛି ଲତା ସାସମଲ ଗୀତା ସାସମଲ ସବିତା ସାସମଲ we are the sisters.
ଆଉ ଜୟନ୍ତୀ ମମତା ଆସିନାନ୍ତି?
ଜୟନ୍ତୀ ମମତା ସେମାନେ ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ they were the signatory of that documents ସେ ଯୋଉ କମ୍ପ୍ରମାଇଜ ଟା ଦାଖଲ କଲେ ବିଫୋର ଦ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ
ଆପଣ ମାନେ କରିନାନ୍ତି?
ଆମେ ଦସ୍ତଖତ କରିନୁ
ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଅର୍ଡର ଟା କ୍ୟାନ୍ସଲ ହେଇଯିବ ତାହେଲେ?
ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଅର୍ଡର ଟା କଣ ହେଇଛି ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କଲୁ ବିଫୋର ଦ ଗୋଟେ ମିସକେସ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରୁ ବିଫୋର ଦ ସେମ୍ କୋର୍ଟ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୱାଜ ଆଲାଉଡ୍ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲିଟିରେ ଯୋଉଟା ଆମର ଜଷ୍ଟିସ ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ଡିସିସନ ଭାଗୀରଥୀ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଆନଦର ବର୍ସେସ
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ କ୍ଲିୟର ନ କରି କୁଆଡେ ଜମ୍ପ କାହିଁ କରନ୍ତି ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ଡିସିସନ ଯେତେବେଳେ କୋଉ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିନି ଏଇଟା କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଉଥରେ ଭଲ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣଙ୍କର କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଭାଇ ଇଏ ଫ୍ରଡ କରିକି ସାଇନ୍ କରି ନେଇ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ବିକଳ କୁମାର ସାସମଲ ଇଜ ଦ ପ୍ଲେଣ୍ଟିଭ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ ସୁଟ୍ ନନ୍ଦ ସାସମଲ ଇଜ ଦ ଫାଦର ଲତା ଗୀତା ଜୟନ୍ତୀ and Sabita Mamata and I am the Lata Gita Sabita, the present petitioners who are the sisters of the plaintiff and the present opposite party number 1. They filed a suit 101/2010 before civil judge junior division first court Cuttack for to declare that the oral partition dated 27/10/2000 oral partition dated 1/12/93 to be valid one because there was oral partition and that property has been allotted in favor of the present opposite party number 1 who was the plaintiff my brother Bhagare seta padthala boli that is the case and they filed the suit before the first civil judge junior division first court Cuttack and in that suit say jo mu eta kahi kohuchi page 23 ta kindly have a glance tikke khali 23/11/2010 ରେ ସୁଟ୍ ଟା ଫାଇଲ କଲେ 23/11/2010 ର ଅଫିସ ନୋଟ ହେଲା 24/11/2010 ରେ ଆଡଭାନ୍ସ ପିଟିସନ ଦେଇକିରି defendant number 126 appeared through their advocate VP Vishal and files compromise petition copies are put up on 26/10 for office note in the compromise petition the case did not be put on 22/10/2010 and Laurent counsel both the parties joint memo transmit the case to mediation center for disposal in terms of compromise Laurent counsel being present
ଆପଣ କଣ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି?
ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଚାହୁଁଛି I have not the signatory of the document এই ଯୋଉ compromise petition I have not filed accordingly ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜାଣିଲି ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ fraud ହେଇଛି I filed a miscase before the lower court ସୋଟ କଣ କଲେ ସେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ସେଟା ସେଟ୍ କଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଯୋଉ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଡିସିସନ ଅନୁସାରେ ସୋଟ ଦେ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜିଂ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଅର୍ଡର ଅଫ ଦ ମିସକେସ୍ they filed before this honorable court.
What is the Supreme Court decision?
Supreme Court,
Agora କଣ ସେ ଜିନିଷ କଣ ପାଇଁ Supreme Court decision ନ କରି Supreme Court decision ଅନୁସାରେ ମାନେ କଣ?
ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ against ରେ
ହଁ
କୌଣସି ମିସକେସ୍ ଫାଇଲ ହବନି, ଯାହା ହବ
ରିଟ୍ ହବ ଏଟା ନୂଆ କଥା କଣ କହିଲେ?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ହଁ
Obviously ରିଟ୍
accordingly this honorable court passed the order ଯେ ଯୋଉଟା ମିସକେସ୍ ରେ ଅର୍ଡର ଆମ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ନିଆ ହେଇକିରି ଯୋଉଟା ସେଟାସାଇଡ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା that has been ସେଟାସାଇଡ୍ କରିଦେଇକିରି କହିଲା ଯେ parties are liberty to file a appeal before this honorable. Accordingly I filed this case. ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ କଲି, ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ମୁଁ କେବଳ ଖାଲି I draw your I have not signed any documents. ମୁଁ କେବଳ ଗୋଟେ ଖାଲି କହୁଛି that
should I adjudicate something if you have not signed documents?
No, no. Only matter shall be remanded. Only matter shall be remanded. The order shall be set aside and matter shall be remanded to the lower court. Accordingly, the case shall be adjudicated by the lower court. ଏଠି ଆଉ କଣ ସେ କଥା ହବ କି? ଏ କଥା ଯଦି ହବ କେବଳ ମୋ 3 ଜଣକୁ ଡକା ହଉ, ମୋ ସିଗ୍ନେଚର ଟା ଟାଲି ହଉ by the registrar.
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ସେଗୁଡା କିଛି କରିବାର ନାହିଁ, ଯୋଉଠି ଆପଣ ମ୍ୟାଟର ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ସେଟା ଭଗାଇଦେବାର ଅଛି। ଡକା ହଉ ସେଟା ହଉ ମୁଁ କାହିଁ ପାସ୍ କରିବି?
ହଁ ସେଠି ଯାଉ ସେଠି
ଆପଣ କଣ?
That should be inquired into. Because
Sir, ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ କୋର୍ଟ କିଛି କରିବନି।
no, I want
court has a decision to do this.
I want this honorable court should direct for a proper inquiry.
I am
About
simply
the
remitting
alleged
back to
fraud.
the court କହନ୍ତୁ ପଠେଇବା।
Civil alleged fraud.
Civil judge junior division first court court.
Having heard the consent for the parties and after perusal of the record, this court will review that. Do that. The oral family settlement arrangement dated 1/12/1993 made between the parties is the legality of the oral settlement made between the parties dated 1/12/1993 made between the parties is requires to be examined on the since the petitioner has submitted that there has been some fraud played on them by the opposite party.
Number one,
by not which have obtained a Lok Adalat.
permanent and continuous look at
Okay. Then an order from permanent award, I said, permanent and continuous Lok Adalat. Since the petitioner is prejudiced by the said order, he has appealed this court. At this point in time, we are counsel for the petitioner. Yeah, for the petitioner.
He is for the-
Oh, sorry. Respondent says that submits that in view of the disputed question of facts, it would be appropriate for this court to remit the matter back to the learned
civil judge junior division first court court.
Civil judge junior division first court cutter. Matter ସେଠି pending ଅଛି।
ନାଇଁ pending ନାଇଁ dispose of ହେଇଗଲା ଲୋକ ତ
Okay, sorry, dispose of ହେଇଯାଇଛି। Adjudicate the issue of separation and misrepresentation.
as well as the order passed in under annexure 6 ଏଇଟା ଆଗ ସବୁ ଦେଖିବ।
ସେଟା କଣ order?
ସେ ଯୋଉ order ଟା ସିଏ ପାସ୍ କରିଥିଲେ 28/11/2010
କଣ ପାଇଁ?
ସେ କରିଥିଲେ ଯେ ଏଟା compromise ଟା accept ହେଲା।
And also, କଣ ଲାଗିଲା? Which was done at the behest of the opposite party. required to be. Full stop, full stop. In such view of the matter, let the matter be remitted back to the order set aside.
My lord,
Which order is challenged here? 28 11/2010 passed by the permanent continental Local Adalats CS number 101/2010 is set aside in the interest of justice, and accordingly the matter is remanded back to the
my lord, my respectful submission is that till the investigation is over, that order should be kept in abeyance.
order.
Continuous local adalat order.
ମୁଁ ଉପରେ କହିଲି ତ set aside କଲେଜ ନା ପଠେଇବି କେମିତି ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ କେମିତି ହବ? ଆପଣ ତାକୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ ଯଦି set aside କଲେଜ ନା ପଠେଇ ପାରିବେ କଣ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ହେଲେ କେମିତି ପଠେଇବି?
Because
Nothing
now,
doing, nothing doing.
because now the investigation will go.
ଯାଉ ସେ କୋର୍ଟ କରୁ ଏବେ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ନା
time limit ବି
ଡିସାଇଡ୍ ନ କଲେ ସେଠି ଯାଇକି ପୁଣି ଆଉଥରେ କେମିତି ରିଜୁଡିକେଟ୍ ହବ? ଟିକେ ତ ଭାବନ୍ତୁ litigation ଟା।
Ashima, kindly fix a date limit so that
କରିବ ତା ଭିତରେ
it will take a considerable time.
Shall dispose of the matter at the earliest, preferably within a period of 3 months
Right.
from today. Hello. Yeah.
119.
119.
I'm for the OP.
Who is for the petitioner? Petitioner के नाम non-FS for the petitioner. कौन है दासो ना दे
No, maybe see सकाळ से time
टाइम ओके से देव खराब सकाळ टाइम आगुतले मुनी ताको दोनथि and consider the petitioner 3 weeks time to because of poor health. Considering the request, let the matter be issued 6th March. Yes. 120 plus.
120.
Time for the OPY plus.
With the petitioner, ଆପଣ କଣ
I given written note of High Court.
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି
1 week time may be allowed.
କଣ ପାଇଁ
Take instruction for final hearing.
instruction ର
Final hearing.
ସେଥିରେ କଣ
The-
Time limit.
ଆଜି ସିଏ ତା ଦେହ ଭଲ
written submission ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଓକେ 19 ଲଗେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିଦେବେ ଦି ଜଣ ଟିକେ ଯାହା କରିବା କଥା ମତେ କପି ଗୋଟେ written submission ଦେବେ ହେଲା have the culture of getting a written submission 1 page or 2 page ନେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ଇଜି ହୁଏ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବି ସୁବିଧା ମତେ ବି ସୁବିଧା ସବୁ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କରନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା that should be a habit ଚलो
Written note of argument the note.
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି